Welcome back to ICT trading concept. Here is the risk disclaimer. You can take a screenshot, okay? What to say? I was watching ICT and let me go to daily chart. Over here, this is the daily chart and this is a liquidity. If you were with me in the morning, sorry, London session, I marked that sell side liquidity and told that I have only this sell side liquidity, okay? I don't have any buy side liquidity. I have only this sell side liquidity. There can be two type of things. First, it can left that sell side liquidity for later, or it can take that sell side liquidity. If it has taken this sell side liquidity, I will watch the candle close, then I will decide is market coming here to that last price lookup or not. Okay, now ICT himself told that he's bearish. Okay, so it's gonna be really so difficult for me to read the price action today, because inside of my head it's just playing that look for sell, look for sell, look for sell. I will try to be original today, but if I am not, I'm sorry for that. So please don't take any entry, don't copy my trade. Even if I take entry, don't copy it. Just don't copy it. At least for today, don't copy it, because I'm now divided. Okay, my thinking, my analysis is now divided by ICT himself. He's the wizard. Okay, whatever he sees, nobody sees. If you are the ICT trader and if you think you are the ICT trader, then obviously you have to believe that ICT is the father of this concept, and whatever he sees, we don't see it. Okay, now what to say? I mean, this sell side liquidity is obvious. I have only this sell side liquidity. I'm not telling this after watching ICT. If you were with me in the London session, you know that I marked that on beforehand, not after seeing ICT has marked that. Okay, I marked it beforehand. Okay, this is not hindsight, or I didn't just see that ICT marked it, so I marked it. No, I told that I have only this sell side liquidity. I marked that constant encroachment from hourly chart. Let me go over there at the London session. That is that constant encroachment. Price came here to that constant encroachment, went lower. Okay, I have lot of parallel gap over here from hourly chart. So I love to go to 4 hour chart. From 4 hour chart, still there is nothing. So yeah, 15-minute chart is okay. I'll be in 15-minute chart now. If I would love to tell you, I mean, what to say? I mean, if you were watching ICT himself and today's live around 33 minutes, okay, around 33 minutes, what ICT told, just go back and watch. I mean, just listen that part carefully. He told that he is the creator of this concept and he loves to stay in 15-minute chart. Okay, he loves to stay in 15-minute chart, but the minimum is 5-minute chart. If he were trading, he was watching 50-minute chart only. Okay, so this is the another proof why I almost spend most of my time in 15-minute chart. So that's cool. He just confirmed that I'm not wrong. Okay, here I'm not bearish. I'm just telling you, let me finish this first. I'm not bearish until I find out that market really would love to go lower. Now how do I know that market really would love to go lower? This is the new day opening gap over here. I'm just marking this new day opening gap here. Now previously I told that I'm not interested to mark that new day opening gap, but as market left came here, it has broken all of this area. Everything is broken. Market came to the last parallel gap. Why last parallel gap? The constant encroachment from the hourly week. This week 50%, I told that this is the 50% and the last parallel gap. The 50% of the week works as a last parallel gap to the London session. I really wanted to see that market will tap to that 50-minute last parallel gap, but market didn't tap over there. It just used that constant encroachment of that hourly week. But to be honest, I really wanted to see market will tap to this 50-minute last parallel gap. That was my, I mean, expectation. I was just I was waiting for that, but market used that constant crossman, then it fall. Now it came to this daily Kunsemi. It just came to this new day opening gap. I'm not bearish until market break that new day opening gap. If market can break this new day opening gap, then I'll be bearish. If you were with ICT, ICT was in 5 minute chart and he marked this fair value gap, okay, over here. He marked this fair value gap. He used he used the range, dealing range from here, this high and that low, this high and that low. This was premium, so price came here, went lower, take that low perfectly. I marked the sell side liquidity over here at the morning session. If you remember, if you watch that one, or if you just watch my Twitter post, I have just posted, there was some kind of sell side liquidity from 1 minute chart. So if you go to 1 minute chart, let me mark. Oh, okay, it's already here. This was the sell side liquidity from 1 minute chart. Market has taken all of this sell side liquidity, came to this new day opening gap. Also, this is the 15 minute fair value gap or the last fair value gap. If you go to your 15 minute chart, you will get a 15 minute fair value gap. If you ask me what is my expectation is market will go higher. Now I'm not going against ICT, as ICT told that market is bearish, market is going to take that sell side liquidity. I will respect him 100%. I will obviously respect him, but I will be bearish if, only if I see this is broken, market close below that new day opening gap, then only then I'll be bearish. Here I'm not interested to take any kind of sell setup. The reason is this new day opening gap or the 15 minute fair value gap. Over there is 15 minute last fair value gap. Just look, this candle low, that candle high. This is the 15 minute last fair value gap, okay? Until this last fair value gap from 15 minute chart is not broken, I am not going to take sell. Again, I'm not going against ICT. To be honest, I obviously I respect him. I believe that I respect him more than anyone is watching me. Trust me, man. I really respect him. But what to say? I mean, what to say? I really don't know. I'm confused. Okay, today I'm really confused. But I will try to be original today. Okay, I don't want to be divided, uh, derived by ICT himself. I'm looking for buy here, exactly here. I'm looking for buy. I'm gonna remove that 5 minute fair value gap because I don't need that 5 minute fair value gap. Though ICT marked that, he told that he would love to spend his time in 15 minute chart. So I would love to stay in 15 minute chart. So here is the bearish fair value gap. Here is the bullish fair value gap over here. Okay. So at the same time, this is the new day opening gap. Don't be confused. This candle low, that candle high, that candle high. Okay. This is the 15 minute last fair value gap. Here is the bearish fair value gap from 15 minute chart. I love to see first which one is broken. Market is now in, what do you see over here? This is the candle where body is very small, longest wick. What is the sign of that? Consolidation. First, market has to go through that consolidation. If this fair value gap is broken, market close below this fair value gap or the new day opening gap, I will start to look for a sell. If market can close above that fair value gap, I would love to take a buy. If I take a buy, to be honest, I don't have any kind of buy side liquidity. I don't have anything. So taking buy is highly risky, but watching this market, my my experience, okay, my study is telling me it will go higher first. I don't know how far, but it will go little higher first, then maybe it will fall. There is another thing I would love to explain. This is the Tuesday price action, a pure accumulation or the consolidation, right? I believe that nobody will argue with me. This is the accumulation. After the accumulation, market just did the manipulation. In Wednesday, market did the manipulation. So today should be the expansion. If it is the expansion, then the expansion should be higher. Over here, this high and that high, they are almost relatively equal highs, not perfect, but still this is relatively equal highs. I can't mark this high as a shallow run because body closed above that high. There is body close. So this can't be my obvious liquidity. I will force market to make this as my buy side liquidity. Okay, so this high and that high. I will see that as my buy side liquidity because I don't have any other option. If really this is the expansion day, maybe market will go higher. Okay, maybe market will go higher. Again, I will take my decision when I will see a candle close above this fair value gap or below this fair value gap. If market close below this fair value gap, I will start to look for a sell toward that sell side liquidity. If I see market close above that fair value gap, I will start to look for a buy. I don't need to hold it until here. I don't need that. I will try to catch some move. Okay, that's all. This candle confirmed that we can be choppy. This is that candle which has confirmed we can be choppy. First, I will wait to complete that choppiness. So if you come to your 1 minute chart, just look at the price action over here. A perfect choppiness. Okay. Here, I'm not interested to take buy or take sell. Anything, I'm not interested. In short, I can see this sell side liquidity has taken. That means all of this sell side liquidity has been taken already. See, this all liquidity has taken. All of this buy side liquidity is not taken yet. So what I'm telling about here, this is the buy side liquidity. Here, buy side liquidity. Then here, look at this area. Here is also the buy side liquidity. Okay, here. So I have a lot of buy side liquidity above me. Let's see if market can take that buy side liquidity. Can I frame a trade from here? I could do it if ICT was not live. Then maybe I could do that because market has taken the sell side liquidity, came to this 50-minute fair value gap. All I need a market structure shift with a fair value gap toward my buy side liquidity. I would see the market like that way. As ICT told that he's bearish, I believe him and I respect him, okay? Because he's the wizard. He can see something we don't see. So I just can't frame my trade from here. So I need more confirmation. What is that confirmation? Either this fair value gap should be broken or that fair value gap should be broken. Any of this should be broken first. Then I will take my decision. Okay, I guess it's enough for starting. Let me read your comment. Good evening, Tim. How are you, brother? Good evening, Tamimi. Okay, I just quit watching ICT live to watch the wizard tutorial. Okay, I am not a wizard. ICT himself is the real wizard. If anyone is interested to watch his live, please go over there. Okay, because I will watch his live, but in replay because I'm here in front of you. So that's why I will watch his live in after completing the session. Here I didn't take any entry. You can see no entry over here. Nothing. I was just watching the price. I was observing price over here if it can go higher or not. So I'm just watching the price first, then I will take decision where I should go. Hey Sivastun, how are you, brother? Rain, yes, we can see ICT recorded, but the wizard has to be witnessed live. Oh man. Good morning, friends. Good evening, Lamar. How are you, brother? Ketan, I left my sword on the ground. As he said, I'm bearish from last week. Yeah, he's the wizard. He's the real wizard, okay? He can see a lot of things we don't see. Hey George, how are you, brother? Working today, so I cannot stay long. Okay, George, no problem. We will see you later then. I miss you, hi bro. So should we only look for sales setup today? I guess I have explained everything. I miss you, and it is clear. more, but the price still respects bullish 50-minute fair value gap. I can see it, brother. I have explained what is my thinking right now and when I'm gonna take my decision. Right now, my thinking is market is going to be choppy. Why? Just look at this candle. A very small body with long wick. Very next candle, small body, longer wick. Market is consolidating. So let him finish the consolidation first. Either it has to break this fair value gap or this fair value gap. Look over here. If market can break this fair value gap, you have still the range from here to here, 27 handle. If you mark from here to here, 51 handle. Not huge, but still it's enough. If market can break this fair value gap, you have the range 57 handle. Not bad. So let it first decide where it really would love to go. Then we will take our decision. Should we look for buy or should we look for sell? Again, respect ICT as he's selling or he's thinking about sell. I will respect him. Okay, I'm not going against him. Again, brother, I'm not going against him. I'm not trying to prove that I'm better than ICT. No. Well, I told you that I need more confirmation. The way I read the price, I would love to stay the same. As ICT told, market is going lower, so I'm not just looking. I'm not going to start to look for sell. No, I'm not going to do that. All I'm doing here is I'm just going to stay with my analysis, and this is how I do my analysis. So I'm gonna do that. If market can close below this fair value gap or new day opening gap, I'll be over confirmed that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Why? Because I have extra confirmation from ICT that he is also looking for sell, and market gave me the sign that I'm going to fall. So that could be extra confirmation for me. But first I need to see really market would love to go lower. That's all I need to see. Roche FX, yep, I was there in London. Oh, okay, thank you, brother. So I didn't lie, okay? Leah, hey G2, in London you told that price cannot reverse from that entry fair value gap as it's already balanced, but look like price went exactly from that balanced entry fair value gap for sell liquidity. I didn't told that market can't reverse from there. All I told you that I don't need to mark that entry fair value gap. If you have watched my balanced price range over here, okay, if you sorry, not that one, I'm sorry for that. Here, this one. Now if you have watched my entry fair value gap, sorry, the balanced price range, it was not balanced until this thing happened. Until this thing happened, it was not balanced. Now this is balanced. Now this is balanced. Here, that was the repriced. Market has repriced that fair value gap. Come back again. Trade above that constant encroachment. Then finally come to the low. Then fall. Take the sell side liquidity. Now it has been balanced. If you have watched my balanced price range theory, it's absolutely different with other people. They will say it is balanced over here. I will say this is balanced when market has taken the sell side liquidity here. Then it is balanced. Until then, it's not balanced. So just go to my London session and watch that part again. I mean, listen that part carefully. I told that I'm not looking for balanced price range over here. I'm gonna use the easiest way. So the easiest way is you are not going to use that fair value gap because it is already closed by body. This fair value gap is not closed by body, so I'm gonna use this fair value gap for later use. I'm not interested to use this fair value gap because it is closed by body. Okay, I didn't say anything about balanced price range. When you asked me, I told that, sister, I'm not looking for balanced price range here. I'm trying to make it more easier. I don't need to use this fair value gap. This fair value gap I don't need to use. If you want to use the balanced price range theory, please use that one. There is nothing wrong with that. This is balanced now. Until here, it was not balanced. Well, I have seen market came to this last fair value gap. Why that is last fair value gap? The constant encroachment of that hourly wick that is also used as a last fair value gap. I took and buy here. I closed my trade over there to that constant encroachment exactly because it has the power to stop the price, send it back toward the sell side liquidity. It has that power. I wanted to see market will at least it will tap to that last parallel gap. That was my expectation. I wanted to see that, but it didn't do that. That doesn't mean it can reverse. Obviously it can reverse because it has tapped a certain area over there. So sister, please watch that part one more time. I guess my because of my English you got confused, but I didn't talk about anything over there about the balanced price range. All I told that I don't need that fair value gap for frame my trade anymore. I am not going to use that fair value gap because it is closed by body. That's all I told. Okay, bro, no problem. Yes, that's true. 15-minute chart. Yeah, 15-minute chart is ICT's bellwether. He just used that line or that sentence today again. If you just watch ICT's today's live, go around 33 minutes and listen that part. He exactly told that 15-minute parallel gap, not 5 minute, not sub minute, like 50 second, 15 second, 40 second, nothing. Okay, that's true. 15-minute chat. Yeah. Good evening, Sijo. Me too, bro. Okay, Peter. What did you say? Me too. Okay. I think I missed something. Did ICT was live on YouTube today? He's still in live. Good evening, Jen. Jen, hi Peter. Okay, good morning. Good evening, Caesar. Jack T ICT is bearish, but he said that everything he was expecting from this week has already done on Monday. Yeah, he didn't tell that exactly. I mean, so far I was over there. He told that Monday expansion was exceptional. I mean, Monday expansion has done everything. Okay, he got everything from Monday. That doesn't mean he's not bearish. He clearly told that he's bearish until this sell side liquidity. But whatever he wanted to see, it has already done in Monday. Okay, but still he's bearish. So far I listened to him. Okay, then I started this my streaming. So I don't know if he told something after that. I'm sorry, he told something and if I missed it. Okay. He said you should have your own bias. I think you are doing great to do what is best for you and your analysis. Thank you, Jack Tex. I will try, okay, but still I'm a human being. So when wizard told something, I just can't let it go. But here I will try. I'm not going to frame any trade from here because I need more confirmation. So I will better wait for the way I do. I analyze my chart. I will do that things, okay. Thanks, man. Miguel Jr. Hey, brother, how are you? Lamar, I see the flow also bearish. I can see it from even from 15-minute chart. Even from 15-minute chart, the flow is bearish. I told that I have only the sell side liquidity in my London session, brother. I told that not one time, lot of time. Every single time I'll look for a buy that will be a 50-50 because I don't have any buy side liquidity. But if you look the sell side liquidity, you have this sell side liquidity. So every sell setup is going to be a perfect setup. Every sell setup is going to be a perfect setup. Over here, if you see the London session closed over there, here, okay, by that candle, the London session was closed. Until that candle, we had no chance to take sell because there was no bearish fair gap that has been traded, then gave me the market structure sheet. After the London session, there was some kind of run. After the London session, okay. So I wasn't here, so I didn't frame anything. I told that if you'd love to take any kind of sell setup, you have to look for the bearish fair value gap, then you will take your sell. I am not interested to take sell. That's all I told. Okay, I wasn't interested to take sell. I was interested to take buy. Over here, the same thing. If this bearish fair value gap is broken, I would love to start look for a buy. If this bullish fair value gap is broken, now I marked the nude opening gap, but here is the last fair value gap from 15 minute chart. Okay, so I am just calling this bullish fair value gap, so don't confused, don't get confused by that. This is the nude opening gap I just marked, but here is the 50-minute fair value gap as well. If it is broken, then only then I will start to look for sell, otherwise I'm not interested. Okay, so he posts somewhere when he is live or on YouTube. He posted it in his YouTube and I take a screenshot. I have posted that on my Twitter as well, that he is going to live today. but I saw it. He has posted that in YouTube here. April 18, 2024, 5 ET. Morning, folks. I might be doing a live lecture this morning at 8 ET. Someone needs a lesson on my water block. I don't know who messed up again. I believe that I'm not that guy, okay? Because I don't know. But someone just messed up with the water block again. ICT, that's why ICT, I didn't want to talk about the water block. You know that. I didn't want to talk about that water block because ICT just get angry whenever someone use the misconcept about his water block. He just get angry. And I believe that I'm not that guy. And I believe he doesn't know me, not even my name. So for you explained so well. Thank you, Peter. Okay, you guys started to retrace the message. I don't know. FX, hey brother, how are you? I'm just waiting for 9:30. So I will see around 9:30 what is going to happen. Okay. No one can predict price action before. Also, Thursday is follow of yesterday's rights. It can be. It can be. Uh, but yeah, we will see, brother Sizo. I have already done my analysis the way I'm thinking the market. Why I'm thinking like that way, I have already done that. Yeah, bro, we got it. Okay, thank you, Lamar. Lumar. Am I right, Lumar? Is that your name, Lumar? Hey, Kesh, thanks for that penguin, man. We are good if you are good. I'm good, man. Peter, lots of the green club in the chat. I can see it now. I mean, most of my chat is now green. It feel like the membership members from my YouTube channel, they took the whole place from the comment box. By the way, congratulations. Anybody knows that Top Step is going to give the free reset today or not? Because I missed yesterday's one. I feel too firm. The last one I missed because of the load shedding and my slow internet. So I missed the last form. So I am not going to get the free reset from yesterday. If anyone knows that Top Step is going to give another reset, let me know. Peter and a lot of penguin now. I can see it's a lot of penguin. Why is the market so rigged? Today should be the expansion. It should be the expansion because of the news. There was a news. After the news, market is just consolidating. Okay, so uh, yeah, it's just consolidating because of the news. I believe after 9:30 we will get some kind of expansion. I believe so. And if I see the market from the very beginning, this is the overnight run or the London session run. Market was going lower. I see the London session as a Judas swing. If you think about the daily PO3, market open, manipulation, distribution, reset. Okay, so if you think about the PO3, market opened here somewhere, accumulation, manipulation, now should be the distribution toward that way. We will see. Oh, by the way, the opening is around 12. So open is here actually. I'm sorry, I just marked there. That is not the open. I'm extremely sorry. The open is here around 12. So this is the opening of today. Exactly here. This is the opening. Then market was just consolidating, manipulation, distribution, reset. Something like this. That is my expectation today. But we will see, okay? I'm just waiting for 9:30 open. So after 1 minute, 9:30 open will happen. So we will see. If market go lower around 9:30, that's cool. If market would love to go higher, that's the best option. If market fail to take that low, expand higher, then I'm not thinking about the Judas swing anymore. I'm gonna think that market is going to give me the setup. If market went lower, take that low. First, I will think this is the manipulation or the Judas swing, then market is going higher. So two type of situation. Why I'm thinking like that way? Because this is the last parabolic from 15-minute chart. So I need to be sure. You can see this is the low. Market has taken all the liquidity, but failed to take that low. It's kind of confirmation that market would love to go higher. Okay. So if market around 9:30 give me the displacement toward the buy side, I'll start to look for a fair value gap to take entry. So this is 9:30. Let's see how it trade. Last one was at 9:10 ish, East nights. I missed that one, brother. Hello, brother. Today I have work. I can't. Oh, okay, no problem, brother. See you next day, Miguel. Said I only have 30 minutes before I go. Okay, let's see if I can have any opportunity to take buy or not. Until this fair value gap is not broken, I'm not going to look for a sell. That's for sure. Even if I missed the whole move, I'm gonna miss it. I don't care. It has taken this sell side liquidity one more time, and I'm seeing this as Judah swing. Market went lower to take that liquidity, respect that fair value gap. I'm gonna remove this sell side because it's taken already. Let's see if it can expand higher or not. Reset fire drill. I don't think anything today against okay. So I just missed it yesterday. Okay, I just missed, that's why. Am I going to take sell? No, I'm not going to take sell. First this candle I will see how it close. Then I will start to look for sell. So I will wait more 15 minutes because market went lower. I will wait more 15 minutes. Why you are not going to take sell? Let's look at this buy side liquidity. Market didn't do anything over there, right? Nothing. Falling. If it just fall, keep falling, take that sell side liquidity, no problem. I'll just let it go. If anyone is thinking about sell, go for sell. I have I am not telling you to hold it. I mean to look for the buy or something. If you think it's going lower, to take that sell, maybe this will be your fair value gap to take sell. Just take it. If you think, okay, I'm not just telling you to take sell, but yeah, I will wait more time. I need more time to be confirmed that really market would love to go lower. Yeah. So far I don't see anything to take sell or something. If I missed it, I will miss it. And there is the proof of the wizard. I mean the ICT wizard. Again, he is the wizard, real wizard of this market. Maybe he outlined a sell setup. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe he outlined a sell setup already around 9:30. I'm unable to trade 9:30. That's pure gambling in my world. A pure gambling. You can see there is a fair value gap from 1 minute chart. Maybe market will tap to that fair value gap, then it will fall. I'm not interested to take that sell. If anyone would, you can take. I'm not interested. Again. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Imran Muhammad. Thank you, brother, for joining. Don't forget to give me a like. Guys, you have your own analysis, right? So please use your own analysis to take for sell or buy. I'm just waiting for 15-minute candle close. When the 15-minute candle will close, then I will start to look for a sell setup. Until the 15-minute candle is not closed, I'm not interested. And around that time, if market has taken this sell side liquidity, I have nothing to do. I'll just wait. If you see this run, after effect, it's very easy to call. See how beautifully it's going lower. Why didn't you take that entry? But if you look at this price action before these two candle, before here, is it really a good place to take sell? I don't think so. If you go to your 5-minute chart, I guess some of you actually trade through your 5-minute chart. Tell me where you will take the sell. Where you will take the sell? Here to that fair value gap, around that area. Please go for that. I'm not interested. Let's see. If market fail to take that sell side liquidity, it's cool. It's very cool. Because if it has taken that sell side liquidity, then it's gonna be difficult to trade today. Nobody knows how far it will reach, how far it will go. But if market fail to take that sell side liquidity, instead of that, if it can make this sell side liquidity more stronger, okay, I mean if it reverse from here, that's gonna be a good bias for the bullish. I always do, bro. Avoid viewer of your channel mostly through offline. Okay, we took one sell side now. I guess you are talking about here. Let load a little bit. It has taken this sell side liquidity. Maybe you are talking about this sell side liquidity. Yeah, it has taken that sell side liquidity, and maybe it's going to take that sell side. I'm not interested. Again, guys, if you are interested, you can take the sell again, again, and again. I'll just see how it reacts. Just tap to that sell side area. Didn't take it yet. Let's see. Boom. Yeah. It has made that sell side liquidity a clean sell side liquidity now. Let's see if it can take it or not. Okay, it has taken. So another proof that ICT himself is the real wizard. He was bearish until that sell side liquidity. He proved again this concept worked perfectly. ICT concept worked perfectly. So he is the real wizard. I'm gonna remove that nude opening gap. That's why I don't like this type of a small nude opening gap. They don't respect. They don't respect the price. The smaller one. They don't respect. So yeah. Back to brother. 1K is more great today. I love ICT. I love ICT too, dear. That was a nice sell off, sir. Yeah, hard to frame trade though. It was really hard for me. Take 5 bit chart. Yep. There was no setup in my opinion. I don't know ICT took that entry or not, but there was no setup in my opinion. So far, I don't see any setup over there. I mean, maybe you will see this is buy side has taken over there. Then this is the market structure shift. No fair value gap, nothing. Price is consolidating, then suddenly just fall. Yep, I don't know. I lost all my gains post price action this week. Campbell, why did you take entry over there? Market is just too heavy. Why did you take that entry on that area? Market, I mean, there was no clean price action. You are purely gambling, brother. Hmm. When will we talk about the shallow run? How it works? Digital, I have already talked about the shallow run a lot of time, brother. I mean, digital, you are not here, I guess. Daily candle was a tell more liquidity downside. From daily candle, I can see this sell side liquidity over here. I mean this low over here and this last travel gap from daily chart. No more sell side liquidity left over there. In my opinion, there is no sell side liquidity anymore. Just let price come down first, then we will see if we can get something or not. If you look over here, just clean look at this whole consolidation. Lot of people took the sell over there. Seek for wisdom. Good morning and good evening. Seek for wisdom. Imran Mohammed here. We are better off learning price action from ICT's latest wizard to the Boom Penguin. Okay, that was a nice thing. Boom Penguin, new name. Is there anyone who can use the NQ1? And if you just go to your NQ1, can you confirm me, is there any 50-minute fair lookup around that area or not? From here, you have to go to the running contract. You have to adjust, I mean, click below there, the BADZ. Then you have to tell me that if there is any 50-minute fair lookup or last fair lookup. Hey, why you're disturbing me, man? Just from 50 minutes, that is there anything? I guess there is social liquidity as well. Hmm. So there is an equal low liquidity at 17.5 on 3. 17.5 on 3 here. Okay, around this area. Okay, I will see. First, let it make this thing, this run. Let it finish this. Then I will see the very next candle should be a consolidated candle. I mean, a small body that will make the fabric of over here. I just can't take my entry. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I just can't take my entry. 15-minute last travel gap, Sebastian. Okay, okay. Can you tell me the area over here where it could be the area? The 15-minute last travel gap area over there. ICT use the 5-minute breaker on 7:15. 5-minute breaker on 7:15. Let me check. 7:15, 7:15, 7:15, 7:15. This one. This one is breaker. high, lower, low, high, low, higher, high. I guess 710, not 715. Equal. And the parabolic gap on premium to frame the possible setup. Yeah, I saw this parabolic gap over here. He actually outlined, sorry, not that one. I'm sorry, here. Yeah, he just marked the parabolic gap over there. Yeah, outlined that one. Except, but where is the breaker actually? Let me check. What is then? Then market structure sheet, parabolic gap. Market went lower. Trade the order block. This is the unfilled area. That should be the unfilled area. Is that filled by body? Okay, it filled. This is the breaker from 5 minute chart. Hard to notice. Whatever. Is the wizard. I'm not just interested. Don't worry, I will frame my trade again after making this parabolic gap. It will make a parabolic gap, that is my belief. If it really would keep going lower, it will make a parabolic gap. It will tap to that parabolic gap. I will be in 1 minute chart. Then I will start to look for a sell. Otherwise, if it keep going lower, I will let it go. Brother, you said few days ago to mark daily order block. That's where it is reversing from after fake 930 run. I forgot about that, to be honest, Ravi. I forgot about that, but if it is respecting, just let me know. Right now, I have no idea what is it going to do. It has taken the extreme sell side liquidity. I don't know it is reversing from any last parabolic gap or not. I don't know because of the contract change. Okay, so if you see over here, just let it load. What happened? I got it. Here the contract has changed, so the price action is really bullshit. Here I have no idea what I have over here. So far I can see some kind of relatively equal lows over there. If market trade any last parabolic gap from 15 minute chart or not, I don't know. So I need to confirm over here. I will take my decision. It's very difficult for me right now because of this contractions, and I don't want to go to NQ1 because it's gonna be a headache for me. In this type of situation, I just let the price go. If it tap to the last parabolic gap from 15 minute chart, it can expand higher. If it didn't tap to the last parabolic gap, then it can make a bearish parabolic gap over here. Did that bearish parabolic gap, then it started to go lower. How do I know that market is going lower? When it will make the bearish parabolic gap, it will go over there. You will go to your 1 minute chart and you will start to look for a sell setup. If it keep going higher, break this parabolic gap. Until this parabolic gap is broken, no bearish, I mean uh, no bull setup is valid. No bull setup is valid until this parabolic gap is broken. You can frame a bull setup if something happen like this. This candle close here, very next candle, and it closed here. Very next candle start here, here, then here, then here. What do I mean by that? Let me tell you. This candle will close here. The very next candle open here, closed it there. Another candle. This is another candle. There will be a bullish parabolic gap. Price will tap to that bullish parabolic gap, then it will go higher. So you can frame your bull setup from there, or after breaking this parabolic gap, then bull setup is valid. So far, only the sell setup is valid. That means it will make some kind of bearish parabolic gap over there. If it can make, okay, then market will tap over there, then it will go for that sell setup. It is valid. But if you would love to take a buy, you have to wait for building a 15-minute parabolic gap over there. When market will make a 15-minute parabolic gap, bullish parabolic gap, then only then the buy setup is valid. Again, that is my thinking, my analysis. If anyone got any kind of setup, go for that. I have no problem with that. If anyone, okay, just go for that. We have news around that. Let me check. Okay, we have medium impact news sales. We'll see if we have news around that area or not. I mean, if we get any volatility around that then or not. We have a little news. You'll see it. Last favorable gap 17,557. 17,557. 17,557 and 17,594. 557, 594. 17,594 is here. Thank you, brother. Thanks for that. I'm using US 100. Now you are telling me that it. Oh, oh no, it. You told that rain. Thank you, rain, brother. If you type NQ1, I know, man, Javed. I know the running contract or that things. But all I told you that I'm a lazy guy. I don't want to do that hard work right now. Okay. No problem, Rain. Well, just tell me that did you change the B? I mean, did you just turn on the BADJ or not? If you turn on the BADJ below here, okay, on your right, below there, if you turn on the BADJ, that means the contract adjust. Then this is perfect. No, not bad. Okay, this is perfect. If you don't turn on that BADJ, then it is not perfect. It's absolutely no use. So just let me know that if you just turn on the BADJ or not. What are you waiting for? Buy? No, I'm not waiting for buy. Navonti. Martin Navonti. Why you always look for buy, Martin Navonti? Why you always look for buy? You don't like sell? Nice retrace. 549 for our breaker block. For our bullish parallel gap. Okay. Hey brother, I see a last M60 parallel gap. Just that goes from 546 to 5560. 546. Okay, so it's almost the same, I guess. Yes, it is turned. Oh, okay. Okay, Rain. Thank you, man. If I get a fair lookup, last fair lookup from 15 minutes set, I don't need actually the hourly fair lookup. Okay. We are inside hourly fair lookup. 15 minutes and next 15 minute fair lookup. Okay, we have a lot of things. Keep telling me. Okay. We'll see just what is going to happen over there. If I would love to take a sell, market has to make a bearish favorable gap. It has to reach to that bearish favorable gap. Then I'll look for sell. Otherwise, I will do nothing. I will just watch how price go here and take all of the sales and liquidity. If I would love to take a buy, I need a bullish favorable gap. Bullish favorable gap from either 50-minute chart or from hourly chart. Then I will start to look for a buy. I have nothing to do. This is not a normal price action. Trust me, brother. In Monday and Tuesday, it was tradable, but Wednesday and Thursday, today's Thursday, until now it's untradable in my opinion. Now ICT framed that trade. I agree with you. He's okay. ICT is ICT, and don't compare anyone with ICT. So he maybe framed the trade depending on the breaker block, lot of things. I'm not ICT, and I have no I don't have the knowledge, not even very near to him. Okay, so I don't see anything over here until now. I just saw around 9:30 market fall. I just saw that. Okay, so in that fall, I'm not interested to do anything. This is the opening gap from today. Not important. This opening gap is just not for used. Okay, am I looking for buy? I have a lot of buy side liquidity. To be honest, I have a lot of buy side liquidity. They should be taken. This buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity, they should be taken. Here also some buy side liquidity here. Okay, I have a lot of buy side liquidity. They all have to be taken. But for taking entry, if you remember some days ago, I told that when market will come to the last fair value gap, don't frame your trade from there. If you are expecting a reversal, so from 50 minutes, look over here. What did I tell you? Why it is so slowly? Just look how it fall, right? It just fall, 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 fall. It came here. So maybe this is the last fair value gap. Okay. You are not going to frame your trade from here. You will wait for a bullish fair value gap. For example, here when market is going higher, 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 maybe it came to the last fair value gap. Just for example, it came to the last fair value gap, then it gave you the setup. Don't go for that. No, it is valid actually. The reason is okay over here. It was falling, okay, it was falling, 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 and it came here. Last fair value gap, it came to that last fair value gap. Don't frame your trade over there. Don't frame. Wait for a bullish fair value gap. You got a bullish fair value gap over there. See, frame your trade from there. Always wait for this type of bullish fair value gap after big run. Here, this is a very big run, right? From here to here, a huge run. When market was going higher, a big run, you are not going to frame your trade from there. You will wait for a bearish fair value gap first. If you get a bearish fair value gap, for example, it was here or maybe here. If you get a bearish fair value gap, price tap to that bearish fair value gap, then you will start to look for sell. This is the general rules of trading. If you do that, it will need lot of patience. Okay, if you don't have that patience, then it's gonna be difficult for you to trade with me at least. I'm not just thinking that if I get a market structure shift fair value gap, I will take that entry, market will go higher. No, I'm not just not thinking like that way. I first need to be sure that market really would love to go higher. If market really would love to go higher, it will make a fair value gap, bullish fair value gap at least. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take buy. Okay, so I have a very clean buy sell liquidity now. Is ICT still bearish? That is my question. My mind is thinking that is ICT still bearish? Oh, okay, so that is not. Just 2 minutes left. Then there will be a bearish fair value gap from 15 minutes. Where are we going next week again? I don't know, man. I don't know. The worst price action ever. Now, guys, here is the question: what do you think market is going now? Before the price, just tell me where market is going. Because after seeing this, a lot of you start to think, okay, why I missed that entry. After effect, it's very easy to tell that. But before effect, before the price printed on the chart, tell me what do you think? Where market will go? Use your every time frame and tell me where market is going and from where exactly you will start to look for your set. Tell me that. It's for everyone, every one of you. Okay, just comment over there because you need to do this. I just showing you the buy side liquidity, the sell side liquidity. You have sell side liquidity, you have buy side liquidity. Just tell me where market will go. Indonesia, Malaysia, and China around the 1st May. Okay. Oh, okay. So, seek for wisdom, you were asking to Peter. Cool. Jenny Romeo, market will go higher. Bullish. I'm bullish. Okay, so you guys are bullish. I am asking this question to everyone, whoever are just watching my stream today. Just I'm asking, what do you think market is going now? Is it bullish or is it bearish? Okay, please use your every time frame, whatever time frame you love to use. Just use it and tell me. I was waiting for the 15-minute parallel gap as you go. Okay, then Peter, you are you are walking with me. You are outside of this question. Then I'm looking buy side now. Okay, Jonathan. Market will go higher now. Took sell side with Judas swing. Okay, team. Market will go down. Hello, Mahlaba. You are thinking about that. No problem. Price has inversed a monthly bullish parabol gap. Brother, don't use the monthly chart here because you are in 1 minute chart. Your monthly parabol gap is not going to help you. Okay, it's not going to help you. And I'm waiting for price to retrace back to it before the bearish continuation. Okay, Martin Avante, where is BFZ? BFVZ. What is BFVZ? What is that? I don't know, sir. Some structure has to form. I want higher now. Okay, Peter. I'm up. Okay, going down until bull parabol gap. Okay, I'm for buy side liquidity. FX. Okay, wait price to go 15-minute parabol gap to go bearish. Okay, Lamar bullish. We took a sell stop and last parabol gap 50 minutes. If you ask me, I have no direction right now. I don't know where market will go. There's nothing that can tell me that market is going higher or lower. Nothing at all. At all. Okay, nothing at all. Which can tell me that market is going there. If you look for the bull, yeah, this buy side liquidity I can force market. Okay, let me remove this buy side liquidity I can force market to make it for me as a buy side liquidity. I have clean sell side liquidity though over there from 15-minute chart. Yeah, I have this clean sell side liquidity. Still this buy side liquidity is very hard to mark. I have no clue where market is going. This is kind of situation where maybe I'd love to let it go. Oh, brother, you are very afraid of pushing your button. No, man, I'm not afraid of pushing my button. I pushed my button around the London session. I pushed my button. Yeah, it was not good. One break even, one loss, one mitigation loss, and one profit. One, two, three, four. Four times I pushed my button. Then one was loss, two was profit, one was break even. It's cool. I have no clue. Yesterday I had no clue. Here I had clue. I was pretty much sure that market is going there. If you remember here, that entry, I was pretty much sure that market is going to fall. There was something over there. Very nice thing over there. Here, very nice thing. Even if this consolidation, very clean thing. Here, no clue. Absolutely no clue. What market is going to do, I have no idea. I'm sorry, but yeah, I don't have any idea. It seems like it's bearish. No precision. Still, market should take some kind of buy side liquidity. No buy side liquidity has taken. I'm kind of situation where I should sit and watch the price. That's all I have to do. Otherwise, just nothing to do. If you force the market, it means you are forcing yourself to take some losses. I can gamble over here. I could gamble. I have this sell side liquidity, so I could push my button over that last parabolic up, expecting that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. That is called gambling. I'm not trying to teach you the gambling. You should not gamble. If you don't see good price, man, this is the most important part. Is this a good price action or is this a bad price action? If you can identify them, you don't need to come here anymore. Not even my streaming, not even any other streaming. If you can just find out, Is this a good price action or is this a bad price action? In my opinion, this is bad price action. My opinion again. Like a crazy woman, don't know what she wants to do. If there is any girl, they will kill you, Peter. Whatever I do, it will go opposite. Don't think like that way, Ale. Just tell me what you want to do. I'm proving that it's not true. Just I'm asking Ale only, okay? Ale 189251. Just tell me what is you thinking right now? Hello, bro. Shit price action teamed. Terrible price action. Okay, guys. So you are understanding this. This price action is not good. That's my achievement, man. If you really can understand this, that means you are trying to learn. If you are trying to learn this thing, I'm happy. Just don't waste your time to look for a setup. Setup is nothing. Every single market structure shift, every single breaker block, fair value gap, displacement, liquidity taken is not for taking entry. Sometimes you have to understand the whole price action. Go to your 15-minute chart. Don't waste your time in 1 minute chart. What do you see? Just look over here. What do you see in this 15-minute chart? Okay, why 15-minute chart? Go ICT's today's live around 33 minutes and listen what ICT told. Here, remember around the London session was very nice price action until that constant crossman. Then it was messy over there. I had nothing to do around that area, but the perfect setup happened after the London session over there. I wasn't here in front of my chart around 7 a.m. But when I come back, I saw shitty price action around 7 a.m. as well. If I would here, maybe I would take a loss around 7 a.m. because that was very shit. Around 8:30, indecision candle started to consolidate. 9:30, market open, boom, fall. Nothing, nothing at all. Now market came here. You are thinking market is going to fall. Take sell, take sell, take sell. Don't do that. That's called gambling. Find out what is the price action right now. Is it cool? Is it tradable or not? See this big run. After the big run, always expect some kind of consolidation. Market market just can't. I mean, just look. Boom, right? Consolidate. It's consolidating until here. All of this is consolidation. All of this price action is the consolidation. Then boom, it will consolidate little bit. Maybe then go lower or higher. It will decide. But I can see. From here to here, boom. What is this? Consolidation. Big move. Consolidation. It went higher, but this consolidation. Look. Boom. Consolidation. Boom. Consolidation. How many times you would love to see? Boom. Consolidation. Again, boom. Consolidation. Just go to your chart and see by yourself, okay? Expansion, consolidation, again expansion or retracement. Always remember that. So after this big run, why you would love to put your money into the consolidation area? You should not do that. Market is just consolidating. Just look over here. It is consolidating. Pro trader. Hey bro, how are you, brother? I think up. Look, it dump now. Ali, it doesn't mean that you are thinking up and market will go up. First, you have to wait for the price action. Here is nothing. What I told you, if you look for a up or a buy, first you will start to look for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Did you wait for that? If you don't wait for that, then it will mess you up, right? Wait for a bullish fair value gap first. If you are thinking market will go higher, I'm not telling that market is going higher. I'm just telling you, if you are thinking market will go higher, first wait for a bullish fair value gap. If you are thinking that market will go below or lower, see this bearish fair value gap over there? Wait to market reach over there to that bearish fair value gap. When market will go over there, go to your 1 minute chart, start to look for a sell setup from there. Start to look for a sell setup from that bearish fair value gap. not from here. First wait until price reach to that 50 minute bearish fair value gap. Am I willing to take sell? No, I'm not willing to take sell. So I will do nothing. But if you are looking for sell, you have to frame your trade from that bearish fair value gap, at least. Okay. For a temporary, yes, will go up a bit. Okay, trains, that's cool. If you ask Lumi traders, she will say it was a clean price action lol. She's a great trader, but I don't know how she trades. Uh, from Lumi traders, I mean about Lumi traders, the girl, right? I knew about her when ICT first uh, talked about her. I knew about her, okay, but she is absolutely perfect. I mean, she's awesome. She's awesome. If you guys would love to follow her or watch her theory, you can watch. She's just awesome, okay? I have no offense. I'm not promoting her because I don't know her. To be honest, I don't know her, but she's awesome. Whatever she posts, I saw her post sometimes. She's just awesome. It is consolidation. Boom. 600-ish area bits came so far, sir. Okay. So stop calling me sir, brother. It made me embarrassed, man. Stop calling me sir. Look over here. This is the market structure sheet. Fair value gap. Am I going to take buy? No, I'm not going to take buy. All I need to see a bullish fair value gap first. If market can make a bullish fair value gap, then it can come back to that bullish fair value gap. I will start to look for buy. Am I looking for sell? If market give me a sell setup from this fair value gap, maybe I will take that sell. Maybe. Okay, I'm not sure. This is the fair value gap from 15-minute chart, not from 1 minute chart, from 15-minute chart. So I will see how it react. Okay, I don't need this fair value gap anymore. I will see. I don't have any direction. Okay, to be honest, I don't have any direction. But from the beginning, I was looking for buy because market left all of this buy sell liquidity over there. All of this buy sell liquidity left. So yeah, I was bullish here. Brother, take the buy, take the buy, take the buy. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm not gonna take the buy from that fair value gap. Even if it is so cute. I mean, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift. Maybe within three candle, it is going to trade that fair value gap. Market is going to take that buy sell liquidity. Let him take that buy sell liquidity. I don't care. But I'm not gonna take that buy. I don't want to take any risk. This is kind of gambling. I don't want to gamble over there. Why it's gambling? I told you that, right? You are not I mean depending any 15-minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. But here is the 15-minute bullish last fair value gap, brother. I had that, right? Yeah, absolutely you had that. You need more confirmation. After seeing this huge sell from here to here, huge sell, you need more confirmation. How can you tell that market is not going higher to take the buy side liquidity, then it's going to fall again? How can you tell that? I don't know. So for me, I need more bullish fair value gap, frame my trade again. Otherwise, okay. Look at that. I was right. Yeah, Alex, you were right. So no more complaint. Time to sit and wait for market finish their accumulation. Absolutely seek for wisdom. I agree with you. Jack T market is mixed. Yes, didn't went below yesterday's low. YM now and the high of the day. NQ is lagging at yesterday low. Absolutely. I don't need to go any other market. I can easily say that market is just bullshit right now. The price action is not good over here. I'm sorry for that word. I keep using that word, but I'm sorry for that. Okay, market is just hanging around over here, so I don't need to see any other contract. I mean, sorry, market to understand what is happening over here. It's perfectly clean from 15 minutes that market is now just it's not good. Look over here, it's not good. Absolutely, it's not good. I have to wait. This is trading, man. It's highly game of your patience. Okay, is Lumi hot? Peter. Oh man, I don't see. I don't see girls. Are they hot or they're not hot like that way? I just watched her. I mean, works okay about ICT. I didn't see was she hot or not. Oh man, whose name? Hello, bro. If I get a sale setup, I'm taking. Me too. If I get a sale setup over there, I'm going to take that sale setup as well. This is logical. Ketan Patel, her explanation are clear though. I believe so. I mean, yeah, it's good for me. I mean, what to say? I mean, she's good. She's absolutely good. If I get assist, okay, I told you, I read it. Bro, can you take a look to Dow? Perhaps there is better price action in Dow. I don't trade Dow. Even if it is a better price action, I don't trade Dow because ICT don't. Like, even if this dollar index is too clean price action, I'm not trading dollar index. Never ever. I don't care how beautiful the price action over here in dollar index. Same Dow. If the price action is clear in mini S&P, maybe I'll trade over mini S&P, but not in Dow. Never ever. Okay, Elena. The reason is ICT is not trading Dow, and he told that we should use Dow as our barometer. That's all, brother, and that's why I'm not. Yes, her posts are and trade screens are so precise. I am awesome. Okay, awed by her trades. Yeah, that is true. I mean, I guess she just posted the winning trade only, but overall, her concept, so I mean, so good, not bad. I mean, not bad. What do I mean by that? Not bad. It's awesome. Let's ask her if she's hot. Maybe I don't know. Sudhit. I'm not a girl researcher. Oh well, let me go to 15 minutes at one more time. Still, there is no 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I need a bullish fair value gap if I would love to take a buy. I need a bullish fair value gap. Still, I don't have that bullish fair value gap. So I don't have any opportunity to take buy. But yeah, I have the opportunity to take sell until this fair value gap is holding the price. Okay. If I get a very nice displacement, is this low is valid for shifting market structure? Yeah, I can force this low. I can force. Yeah, if it is a very nice displacement, fair value gap, immediate reaction, maybe I will take the sell. But I'm not gonna take the buy until it make any kind of bullish fair value gap. Simple thing, okay? Did you called me, Campbell? Did you called me? I called you. Maybe I forgot. We are now in bearish 15-minute fair value gap. Can we look for short here? As I told, if I get a displacement, fair value gap, immediate reaction, I'm gonna take a short. Even if I get, I mean, stopped out, I don't care. I'm gonna take the short. But bull, though I'm thinking market is coming here to that buy side liquidity, I'm unable to take the buy entry. I'm really unable to do that. Okay. Bullish fair value gap on 5 minutes. I am not looking for 5 minute chart, brother. I love to stay in 15-minute or hourly chart. If only if there is a fair value gap from 15-minute chart, which is a huge fair value gap, then I will go to 5 minute chart to break that huge fair value gap into pieces. Okay, small pieces. Okay. Lumi is married. Yeah, I remember. I was thinking like that, bro. I was thinking that Lumi is married. So far, I knew she's married. Oh, Peter. Oh, Peter. Don't get heart attacked. Okay, she's married. The 15-minute tap 50%. 50% what? Sorry, I mean Chichu. Okay, no problem. Thank you, Caesar. Yeah, thank you, man. Just call me by my name. 15-minute tapped 15%. What do you mean by 15-minute tapped 15%? Are you talking about here? You're talking about here. I can see it. I need the displacement. And if I don't get it, immediate reaction. And market has taken the liquidity, boom. Something like that. I'm not interested to take sell as well. If it keep continue this type of sloppiness, I'm not gonna take sell. All I need immediate reaction with a displacement. If one more candle make here, I mean close around that area, I'm not interested to take sell anymore. Until now, I will consider this as a displacement. Even if this candle fail to give me the market structure shift, I will wait for the next candle. But yeah, that's all. If it close like that, no, I am not thinking this displacement is valid anymore. We'll see. We will see. Okay, 5 minute bullish fair value gap. I don't go to 5 minute chart. SIP or in SIP near the Miguel above the this last fair value gap, we have the new week opening gap. Let's see if it holds this time. I didn't mark the new week opening gap because it's too small. And you see around 9:30 didn't give a nothing. Okay, no reaction from there. So yep, tapped nude opening gap. I'm now looking to sell. Why is the nude opening gap, guys? I mean, you were talking about. Why is the nude opening gap here, right? Okay, let me mark it as all of you are actually calling that. Let me change the color. Let it keep for today. Okay. I'm not interested to take sell now. Even if I get a market structure shift, I'm not interested to take sell. Nothing to do, brother. I'm sorry. Your fair gap is coming. Let's see if my fair gap is coming or not. How can it come? In 15 minutes chat, there is no opportunity to build a fair value gap. No opportunity to build a bullish fair value gap until now. Okay, we will see. No, none of these famous ICT Twitter traders trade live. That makes you a real and superior trader. Okay, Danny, that's a big compliment, man. I'm not trading here. I'm just trying to read the price when and how I think the market is going to work. Just my expectation, my thinking. Okay. For example, if you see over here around the London session, I told that market can reverse from that constant encroachment, but my expectation was market will at least tap to that low of that fair value gap, at least to that low. This constant encroachment can reverse the price. I told that beforehand when market was over here. I told that, but my expectation was market will at least tap over there, but it didn't tap over there. So yeah, sometimes I'm wrong as well, but I try to explain when and how I think. Over here, after seeing all of these things, I wasn't looking for a sell until market make a bearish fair value gap. Now it has made this bearish fair value gap. All I need immediate reaction, quick reaction. Is that immediate reaction or the quick reaction? What do you think? Is it something like this? Market came here, take the buy side liquidity. This is the low, very nice displacement. Fair value gap, entry fair value gap, maybe last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. Immediate reaction. Did you see this here? I don't see. I don't see it. Hmm. But the 50-minute was created after the 9:30 open. That's not a problem. Adi Alia, what is your question? 15-minute created after 9:30. So what is wrong with that? All I need a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. If market would love to go lower, it has to trade that 15-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Then it will make a setup over there if it would really love to go lower. If it doesn't want to go lower, instead of that, if it wants to go higher, it has to make a bullish fair value gap. Then it will tap to that bullish fair value gap, then it will go to take that buy side liquidity. If market keep going higher without making the bullish fair value gap, I will just watch the price, how beautifully it will take the buy side liquidity, but I'm not gonna engage. Simple, okay? Just simple thing. But where this fair value gap is going to make, there is no relation between 9:30 or anything else. 9:30 is just the opening. Around that time we see the volatility. That's why I told avoid 9:30 because of the volatility. See, this is, it's a small volatility today, but sometimes you will see huge volatility around 9:30, and always try to avoid those volatility, because maybe you were right. Okay, you took a sell here, your stop loss is over there. I'm talking about here. Maybe you are thinking that market is coming this, that is your stop loss, and this is your target. Okay, so what will you see around 9:30? Around 9:30 market will just come here, a week, just a week, then boom, you will be stopped out. That's why I told avoid around 9:30, just exact 9:30, avoid it. Remember what I told you around 9:30? I told that if market fail to take that low, go up. I mean this whole move, look at this move. If that move could happen toward the buy side, I would look for a buy setup over here. The same thing, just if it could happen toward the buy side, I would look for a setup. Remember, just this thing. Think opposite way. I would look for a setup over there. This fair value gap, I would try to take entry around that area, close approximately entry. When it went lower, I'm just seeing this as a Judas swing. Why? Because market left all of this buy side liquidity. Just look how beautifully it left all of this buy side liquidity. No buy side liquidity has taken, nothing taken. So how can I sure, how can I, how can, oh man, how can you be sure that market is actually going lower? How long it will fall? Nobody knows that. I didn't know that it will come until here. So yeah, that's all. No one is doing it live due to the real G. Okay, Leon Domingo, what is that, brother? Denny Romero, Denny Romero. Okay, I guess you just Islam Fatih. Some new names. I'm searching for you, bro. Why? Why? I'm okay, man. I'm okay. I'm happy with, because I'm single. I'm happy, man. Are you going to take a buy because you saw the market structure shift, maybe some kind of fair value, anything? No, I'm not interested to take buy. I have to looking for a sell if this candle keep continue going lower. Displacement. Yeah, I'll take a sell. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. This swing low, I can force. I can force. Not a perfect one, but still I can force. This swing low is not valid. This swing low is valid. Why you are telling that you are going to look for a sell now, not here? Because after this consolidation, what market has done? Taken that buy side liquidity. If I get the displacement now, I'll look for a sell. If I don't get it, I'm not doing anything. But if market go higher, brother, what you are going to do? I'll just watch the price, how beautifully it go over there and take that buy side. I'll let today as well. I will let today go without doing anything. Without doing anything. Simple. Just simple thing, okay? Peter, need more likes, boys and girls. Push the like button and maybe Tito will push his button. Team, I have nothing to do, man. I'm just clearing my concept, what I'm thinking right now. Right? If market doesn't give me that, how can I push my button? But if you want, I can push my button. But I have to change my account then to my real account. Because in this paper money, I would love, I told you that I'm gonna complete this challenge. So I started from 3000. So I missed the very first entry. If I would catch that entry, it would be now 6,000, near about 6,000. Yeah, it is what it is. I went to saved my cat. He was fighting that time. It's what it is. Okay, is that yeah, Lumi's hot. I never saw her, by the way. Okay, I never saw her. How did you come to that conclusion, Peter? Yeah, how did you come to that conclusion, Peter? Searched her social media. Oh man, seriously? Anyone gamble today? I didn't. I didn't, Ellie. You're creepy. Imagine what do you do to find a good setup? You don't know what a question, man. He's just kidding. I know. I'm joking too. We all are joking. Peter, after long, no drama, bro. No drama. Okay, thanks for that penguin. The Fable Gap is coming, but not right now. Maybe another 30 minutes. Can be. I will wait. I will keep waiting. Still now, this is weird price action. Let me go to hourly chart. Look from the hourly chart. This weird price action. Absolutely. Just look at this 50-minute bearish Fable Gap. How it is holding the price. Just look at this. How it is holding the price. Okay. I'm not telling that it is going to hold and market is going to fall. I'm just telling you so far how it is holding the price. Are you willing to take buy or sell over here? After effect, it is too clean that market has given you that run 88 handle. When you are in the market, just think you take an entry over here maybe. What do you think? Just think, okay? Wait for the better price action. We all know where is our liquidity. We know where is our liquidity. Here. I have liquidity. For the bull setup, I have nothing to do. Market can easily go over there and take that buy side liquidity. Maybe later it will take any other buy side liquidity. I have nothing to do. For the sell setup, I have an opportunity to take sell until price is inside this bearish fair gap. I have an opportunity to take sell. Okay. Here we go. Up to top G. What is the meaning of G? 1050 macro may start to the move. Let's see. Why not take a long from the 1 minute Fibonacci gap after 10 o'clock? Brother, what can I say? I mean, I am just explaining this whole time. Why you should not take that entry after what after 10 for the buy setup? Why you should not take that entry? I'm just telling you, keep telling this, right? Hmm. Okay, you don't have to push. Follow your rules. I'm gonna follow my rules. To 8:30 buy side. 8:30 buy side. Okay. Minato, brother, you just late. Okay, you're late. I have already explained why I am not interested to take buy. Even though even market take that buy side liquidity. I'm not interested to take buy because I don't have any opportunity to take buy. You can't believe the 1 minute parallel gap. You have to have some kind of bullish parallel gap. Yeah, you have this last parallel gap, bullish last parallel gap. It is not enough. It's not enough. Frame your trade. It's not enough. Okay, not enough. You need more confirmation. For that, you need more 15-minute bullish parallel gap, either from 15-minute or from hourly chart. Again and again. ICT also confirmed that today. Okay, I'm keep referring him. He told that 15-minute is my time frame. I am the creator of this concept, and 15-minute is my favorite. I would love to stay in 15-minute chart, not 5 minutes, not hourly, not 1 minute, not second chart, nothing, just 15 minutes. Otherwise, you will be lost. So yeah, did you call me, Campbell? Campbell, I call you. I don't want that. You push your button. I prefer that you explain us about price action and not to do anything. If the setup is not the best, I like the precision. Thank you, Elena. Yeah, I don't see anything yet, so I'm not gonna do anything. Till now, I didn't see anything. If it close over 50-minute fair value gap, we look for buy. You can look for buy, but all I told you that, just how can I explain that on? I mean, there is a setup. I talked about the last fair value gap broken setup, and that is something like this. Let me tell you. I'm not gonna take this one because I have already done this type of things. Just this last fair value gap, bearish last fair value gap is broken from 15-minute chart. It has to come back again to the constant crossman. It can be retraced to 3, 4, 5 times, 6 times. Then it will leave this 15-minute last fair value gap again. Come back again to the top. Then here should be your entry. If you see this, then you are able to take that buy. Otherwise, when the last fair value gap is broken from 15-minute chart, this is the last fair value gap, right? It's broken. You just can't take your buy. You can do that if it is the last fair value gap from 1-minute chart. Then you can take. You don't need to wait for this. You just can take the entry over there and you can go for the buy. But that is highly risky. I'm not interested to do it. What I told, even if it takes that buy side liquidity, I'm not going to do anything. I'll just watch this price. I will enjoy the price action. I'm sorry, but yeah, if anyone doesn't like it, you can leave me, but I'm not gonna do anything if I don't see anything precised. So let's see finally if it can make a fair lookup over here or not from 15-minute chart. Finally, okay, before taking that buy side liquidity. ICT ported a path. ICT explaining order block for last 1 hour. Someone messed up with I mean order block again. I am praying that I believe that that is not me, but someone messed up with order block again. I believe so. That's why he just I mean he used his YouTube community tab for explaining that I'm gonna talk about the order blocks because someone need that listen of order block. I will watch that part later. Oh man. SP have a parallel gap on 15-minute. I'm in here in Nasdaq brother. But last time I watched him, he was talking about his child riding a bike. He talks too much, more than me. It is equal T2 is equal trading terminator. What the effects? How did you made that, man? T2 is equal trading terminator. That was awesome, man. It's a slow grind now. 717 has to tap now. Let's see. As a silver bullet. Okay. Brother, it's hit a 50-minute order block for selling down. Let's see, brother. There is also a bearish fair value gap. I'm not willing to take sell from there. I was willing to take sell from here, but now I'm not willing to take sell because market is now very near to that buy side liquidity. See, here market was very near to take that sell side liquidity. Now market is very near to take that buy side liquidity. And as I told you, from here 9:30 I was bullish. From here I was bullish. Market gave me the Judas swing. This is the absolute Judas swing. Perfectly went higher without taking me. Okay, it didn't take me with him. That's all. Boom, I got some move. Congratulations, Caesar. We took out sell side liquidity to buy side liquidity now. Let's go. Bias so obvious right now. Let's go. How can we donate you something? Robinhood, you don't need to donate me anything except the time. You're from Bangladesh, you will not be able to donate me, okay? But thanks for that, man. I really appreciate that. You wanted to donate me something. I really appreciate that, man. But to be honest, you are from Bangladesh, you are unable to send me anything, okay? Because I'm also in Bangladesh right now. I know the pain. But just donate me your time. That's all I need, brother. Brother, 950 50 macro delivered through medium impact news 10 to period says no entry, but I filled market, perfect delivery on NAS. That was, I saw that on, brother. To be honest, I saw the 950 to 1010 macro, but as I told, no entry should be valid around the if there is a news, then the macro entry is not valid. Okay, so I didn't talk about anything. But yeah, when I see the market, I put an eye on the macro setup. Always I do that. Okay, always. You don't need to remind me that. I always do that. I saw this setup, and depending on the macro, but it's not valid because there was a medium back news. It just worked one time. Okay, Ravi. Peter, a 7 7 24 is it by side, bro? 7 7 7 2 4 7 7 2 4. Absolutely, it's the buy side. You can see all of this. Yeah, this is clean buy side, brother. How clean? Just look at those. How clean buy side. But as I have seen this line, just 10 handle difference, so I marked that huge one, not this small one. I'll keep it over here. Absolutely clean buy side, Peter. Dear soul, Tito, I love you. I love you too, dear. Thanks, brother. I really love you. I love you all, brother and sister. Okay. Winston Look, hey brother, bad day for me. Got hit with a max loss day. Winston Look, man, what to say? I mean, for me, it's not good price action. After effect is very cool to see, but before effect, I mean, before the price printed on the chart, it's not cool for me. Okay. So for me, until now, I didn't say anything cool. So I didn't do anything. I'm just waiting. Maybe I will wait whole morning session, then I will wait for the PM session. If I get anything, I will go. If I don't get, I'm not going. And this is called real trading, and it's too boring. At the beginning, I was so confused, and I was feeling like you guys need some kind of entry, so I keep pushing my button. I'm not afraid of losing money, to be honest. I'm not afraid of that, but I was losing my psychological thing. Okay, I was messed up with that. The only reason was I was pushing button because I was thinking some new people will come, they'll be here to see only the entry. So I pushed my button. But right now I'm not going to do that. If I see something good, I will push my button. If I don't see, I'm not gonna push my button. I pushed my button on the London session. Not one time. 3 4 times I pushed my button on the London session. Because here the price action was cool to me. Over here. That entry worked perfectly. Then I took another buy over there. Just for one tick, I got stopped out. Just for one tick, okay? Because of my precise price action or precision, I got stopped out. I took re-entry, mitigate my loss only. Here, I took another entry. I mean, that entry I didn't want to say. I mean, I didn't want to take. If you were with me in London session, I told that whenever I pushed my button, this setup doesn't work. If I don't push my button, it works perfectly. This is the proof over here. I was watching that setup as well. This setup and that setup, both of them are the same thing, just exactly the same thing. Here I didn't do anything, it worked perfectly. Here I pushed my button, then I put my stop loss to the break even because I was believing that it was never going to work. So I got started to the break even. Here I didn't see anything, I didn't get anything else, nothing. So I'm not gonna push my button. I'm waiting to build a 15-minute favorable gap first. If market can build a 15-minute favorable gap before taking the buy side liquidity, 15-minute favorable gap, then market will come to that 15-minute favorable gap, then I will start to look for a buy. Otherwise, I will just let it go. Even if it take the whole buy side liquidity, I don't care. But brother, you told that you were bullish, so why didn't you push your button? Because that's called gambling. I'm not gambling here. I'm not interested to gamble. Not at all. I'm not at all interested to gamble. It's called trading. And trading is too hard because you have to wait. Waiting part is the most dangerous part. He said someone called order block as a engulfing candle. Then I am escaped. I am escaped. Okay, he is not talking about me. Then that guy is going to be punished today. Oh man. God titled man. Robin would become member. Peter, he can't be a member because he is in Bangladesh. From Bangladesh, he can't pay the dollar. He can't. He's not able to do that. We have SMT with ES. Do you use SMT? I use SMT, but for SMT, I need a lot of information, more information. Now, I'm using just one screen. By one screen, it's really difficult to use the SMT. So I stopped use SMT. If you watch my previous execution in my YouTube channel, if you go to the trade execution folder, you will see over there every entry I took depending on that SMT. Every single entry over there by depending on SMT. So just go to my YouTube channel. From there, go to the playlist. From playlist, see the trade execution and see the oldest execution video. You will get every execution. Most, I mean, 99% execution was depending on that SMT. But right now, no, I'm using just one. Lol, I wish that was me messing it up and ICT was explaining me. Oh man, why you are wishing like that way? Oh, I'm happy that he didn't talk about me. But that was a nice comment, right? Water block is just a bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing. Oh man. Cool, thanks, no problem, Peter. Yep, I tried chasing short with which is bad. Absolutely, Winston. Which is absolutely bad. Did you called me? I don't know, Campbell, why you are just keep writing that comment. I mean, what's wrong? Is the 15-minute Parabolica from 5:15 still valid? 5:15? Let me check. Absolutely valid. Until this travel gap is not closed by body, 100% by body, it's valid. Okay, when I have this one, I didn't see this one. Okay, brother, thanks for that. I didn't see this one. I was thinking this is the only bearish travel gap, but there is the most obvious one. So thanks for that. It's still valid. If you would love to take a sell setup, you have to start to look for that sell setup from here. But as I told you, I'm not willing to take sell, so I will only look for buy. And for that, I just need a bullish parabolic gap from 15-minute chart. Let's see if market can make a bullish parabolic gap around that area or not. That's all I'm just waiting for. I have to stay in 15-minute chart, and then I will start to look for a bullish parabolic gap. Let's see if it can make a bullish parabolic gap over here or not. If it can make, then I'll go for that. Campbell, that's creepy. Yeah, Campbell, I don't know why you are just keep writing that thing, brother. Brother, good evening. Good evening, brother. How are you, brother? I can see 153 people is watching now and 63 likes. Oh man. 8:30. Boom. Tap to that 8:30. Boom. Something like that. I'm not interested. Still, I need to see it will make this bullish parabolic first. Guys, come to that bullish parabolic, then only then I'll look for buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to buy. Okay, my subscription is near about 400, so I need 11 more subscription. If I get that, then it's gonna be 5,400. So if anyone is interested to take the subscription, sorry, yeah, to subscribe to my channel, welcome, welcome, brother. No, brother, I'm not interested to push the button. Subscribe to my channel, make it 400 at least. And that's another one at 4. Is that there is another one at 4? The bearish pair, look up around here. This is not obvious, but this one is obvious. Okay? This is not obvious one. This is the obvious one because just look at the reaction previously. Market this fair value gap, how beautifully it holds the price. How many times price tried to close that fair value gap and failed. So this fair value gap is obvious one. This one, yeah, we will take a look, but still I'm thinking that this one is also going to be broken. So comparing with this fair value gap, that fair value gap is very small, and I believe that it's gonna be broken as well. Okay, brother, I have one question. If anything happen, MSS, but if there is no fair value gap, then what we will do? You will left that. I mean, you will just skip that entry. You will wait for another setup. ICT stated that if your view is bullish in weekly and daily time frame, you should only watch out for bullish setup. Don't find bearish setup. Ever you won't be profitable by doing this. I told the same thing, Ketan. I told the same thing, brother. If my direction is bullish, every single time market will go lower, I will see them as a liquidity taken, and I will wait for the bullish setup only. That means one-sided. You can't take buy, sell, buy, sell. You can't do that. I told that, right? Now ICT stated that you guys will take this seriously, but when I told you that, is there anyone who was there when I talked about this? If my direction is bullish, I don't care about any sell setup. I will let them go. Even if I'm wrong, even if market went lower so far, I don't care. I really don't care. I will keep looking for a buy setup. MSS now waiting for a bullish fair value gap. Yep, I'm just waiting to make this bullish fair value gap. Yes, you told that, I remember. Yeah, thank you, Sizo, for confirming that. I told that. Now, ICT told you guys will take it seriously. When I told you won't take it, you didn't take it seriously. Because this guy is underrated. He has only 5,000 subscribers. Why should we listen to him? Oh man. Yeah, you said that many times. Thank you, Michael. Michael McDermott. If I mispronounced your name, I'm extremely sorry, brother. You can be profitable only trading one direction, you said. Absolutely, man. That's the only thing you should do. You will see this whole run as a liquidity again. Market has just taken the liquidity. Then you will start to look for a bull setup if you are bullish. So from the beginning, I was bullish. I will look for a bull setup. When market was over there, if it could give me a setup, I told that yeah, maybe I will take that sell or something. But look, market never tell you lie. It is not going to give you the fake move or fake setup. It will always give you the best setup. I mean, not always, 90% of the time. Okay. Oh man. You can be profitable only trading one direction, you say. Thank you, man, for confirming that. You always take trade with your bias. Thank you, hello bro, for confirming that, man. There's some new guys, they can be convinced by your comment maybe. Lol, I know you said every time that. Thank you, Ketan. Yes, you have said many times you don't change your bias. Thank you, team. Thank you, man. Need to look at divergence between NQ and ES. Diosul, why I should look for that? First tell me that why I should look for that. Just look over here. I'm gonna remove this one, I mean that subscription, because I am not believing that I'm gonna get 400, I mean 11 subscription today. I don't believe it. I have this sell side liquidity. Okay, here I have this sell side liquidity. Now I have this buy side liquidity. The buy side liquidity is not so clean, I agree with you, it's not so clean. Still I have this buy side liquidity. What I told you, it will make a bullish fair value gap. Price will tap to that bullish fair value gap. I will start to look for a buy setup. When market is going to make that bullish fair value gap, when market reach a certain level, what is that? That is called reaction. This is called the reaction. Still now I'm thinking this is the reaction from this fair value gap. This is the reaction. This bullish fair value gap will give me the reversal. So this is reaction. Market came here, that fair value gap. Market went little lower. This is called reaction. Then this. This is called reversal. I don't need SMT. I don't need anything else. Isn't it so clean right now? What do you think? Isn't it so clean right now? Market came here, take the liquidity, tap to that last fair value gap, come here, very near to that buy side liquidity, came to that bearish fair value gap, the reaction, make the bullish fair value gap. Maybe market will come to that bullish fair value gap. You will go to your 1 minute chart, look for a buy setup. If you get that, you took that. A perfect setup, you will take that. If you get stopped out, a perfect setup didn't work. If you don't get stopped out, perfect setup works perfectly. Isn't it so clean, man? Right now, over here, when market was over there, how was the price action? In my opinion, that was terrible. Very, uncertain price action. But right now, just look. Can you see the clear picture over there? Can you see it? Oh man, it has taken the buy side liquidity without taking you. Market made that buy side bullish parabolic, but it never trade that on. Instead of that, it has taken the buy side liquidity. What will you do? You'll just sit still. You have nothing to do. You'll just sit still. It has taken that on. Let me check if it can take this one or not. Brother, why you didn't take that buy? Maybe here is the market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Did it trade the 50-minute fair value gap? No. Is it entry valid? No. I'm not going to take that on. But you talked about the 830. I'm still working on that. Not 100% sure yet. I have to be sure. What still I'm seeing it. Market has made that relatively equal highs. It will go lower maybe. It can be entry fair value gap over there. Okay, it can make an entry fair value gap. Then I will have this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, the bullish fair value gap. I'm just gonna mark it as last fair value gap. If it can make an entry fair value gap, price come to that entry fair value gap, I will start to look for a buy. If it failed to make the entry fair value gap, instead of that, it has only this fair value gap. I will frame my trade only if market come to this last fair value gap. Then, otherwise, I'm not interested. Another thing is accumulation, manipulation. It should distribution. That means the expansion. Just the expansion. In 1 minute chart, that is not confirmed, but I will see like that way. If 1 minute chart from 1 minute chart, this is only valid for Tuesday and Wednesday. If I get this type of things, I will take that entry from 1 minute chart, not from 15-minute chart, but from 1 minute chart. It has to take the liquidity first from 1 minute chart. Here, this thing. Just look from here. I was watching that one. Yeah, this has done here one time. It take the liquidity, then went higher. This was very bottom. It was around very bottom. So I wasn't interested about that. Over here, if I saw this thing, something like that, something like this, maybe I would push my buy button. It didn't do that. No buy sell side liquidity taken. Over here, no sell side liquidity taken. No like this. I did nothing. I was just watching. Is your fair value gap based on 15 minutes time frame always? So if fair value gap from a bullish candle, then look for buy. If fair value gap from bearish candle, look for sell. Sorry, just trying to understand. I learned a lot from you. Okay, Lizel, thank you, brother. Let me go to 15 minutes. I always love to mark my fair value gap from 15 minutes. If only if market is too messy, like over here, too messy, then I go to hourly chart, and from hourly chart I just mark the last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap. If the price is too messy, still from the hourly chart, if price is too messy, I go to 4-hour chart and mark only 1 or 2 fair value gap. Okay, that's all about fair value gap. Now if from 15-minute chart I get the fair value gap, then bullish fair value gap, that means green candle. Bearish fair value gap, that means bear candle. If I am looking for a sell, then I will look for a bearish fair value gap from a bear candle. If I am looking for a buy, I will look for a bullish fair value gap from a bull candle. Okay, so this is not going to be the last fair value gap. This is the simple fair value gap. Okay, because market failed to uh, I'm just I'm just coming, okay? So, brother, who asked me that question? I forgot the name actually. Lizel. Lizel, brother, do you understand what I just told? লিয়ার নানা আবার শশী ফোন দিছিল এমনি খোঁজ খবর নেওয়ার জন্য। হ্যাঁ, শুয়ে পড়লাম না। না, আমি যাবো না মনে হয়। গেলেই তালা মারি দিতে না যদি যাই একান্ত। ওকে, না না, থাক ওই জায়গায়। Now it has made this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, সব ফ্রিজে রেখে দিব না। I'll be in 1 minute chat now. This fair value gap I don't need anymore. This one I'm just holding it. This is the bearish fair value gap. So here, if market can reach here to that fair value gap now, then if it can make a bullish setup, I would love to take that buy until that buy sell liquidity. If this happened, I'm interested. If it doesn't happen, I'm not interested at all. Well, I love your method of trading. No FOMO, just wait for setup. Absolutely, brother. No FOMO, nothing. I'm just seeing how beautiful the market is going to take that by setup. No problem. I will wait until the perfect setup. Then I will take the setup or entry. If I get, I mean, hit the target profit, cool. If I don't get and the hit, I mean, if I don't get the target profit, otherwise, if I get a stop loss, I will say a perfect setup didn't work. I have waited for that perfect setup, but it didn't work. I will just let it go. I will wait for the same thing again from the beginning. Same thing, okay? Winston, look, boom. Okay, I bought another 50k challenge and to trade. Lol. Oh man, you are unbelievable. You should not do that, man. You have to control your emotion, man. Seriously, you have to control it. Just don't gamble, man. Just don't gamble. It's harmful for longer term. Capital, what happened, brother? Let's go, Winston. Just bought it up to the buy side liquidity done for the day. I will pass the next week. Inshallah, we'll see, Winston. But don't gamble, okay, brother? Hey, Nana. Okay, he's the grandfather. I mean, my sister's grandfather-law or something like that. I don't know. Grandfather-in-law, something like that. I have to go. Have today. Good day to you. Good lesson on patience today. Thank you, Tim. Yeah, we'll see you later, brother. Yes, I got it. Thank you. No problem, Lizelle. Ketan, but it also depends on narrative and towards our bias too. Absolutely. But today, I mean, this week we don't have any bias, right? Hey, brother. So if the market goes to that bullish fair value gap, do we wait for MSS? Absolutely, we'll wait for the MSS. Absolutely, you have to wait for the MSS. Liquidity taken, immediate reaction. No MSS, no entry. No MSS, no fair value gap, no immediate reaction, no entry. 1 minute MSS, absolutely 1 minute MSS. Where are you looking to buy? Buy, price, and condition. I will start to look for buy from here. I'm gonna remove, no, I'll just left. When market will be here in this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Remember, this is the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. When market will be here in this fair value gap, then only then I will start to look for buy. Where is my buy side liquidity? This high and that high. What is that? Just tell me what is that? Plain buy side liquidity. So that will be my target. Is the picture clear now? Like when market was over here, was it clear? I don't think so. Is it clear now? For me, it's very clean, very clean. All I need, just the price action. That's all I need. If I get it, I'll be happy to take it. If I don't get it, let it go. You know how you approach your eval accounts. What do you mean by that? Arif, have risk or conservative? Always conservative. I never go more than 2 contract. Yeah, I sometimes I go for 3 contract. I love to complete. I mean, eval. Yeah, I will keep continue to do that. I don't like over leveraged. That's all. Okay. My maximum contract size is 5 contract when I use my real account, 150K account. My maximum in my life is 5 contract. I never go more than 5 contract. But yeah, every single day I go more than 5 contract after 3:45 p.m. Then I go back to my paper trade. I just write here like something 1000 contract. Then I take the entry because of the mental recreation, something like that, refreshment, something like that. Thank you so much. No problem. Guys, near about 200 people are watching now. Just give me some likes, brother. Okay, I deserve some likes. Trust me, I deserve some likes. Even I didn't push my button, still I have done so many things you need to learn. You are needed. Okay, so please push the like button, push the subscription button. Need 10 more people as well. Then it will be 5400. Be the part of this historical journey. You're not going to get anything like here you are going to get. You're not going to get that from anywhere else. I promise you, I challenge you. I challenge you, man. Whatever I will tell you, later you will get that same thing from very famous person. Okay? Lot of famous person will tell you the same thing. Whatever I'm telling you here now. That doesn't mean they are just listening to me and then they are repeating, I mean copying me. No, that's not like that. If they really know how to trade ICT, they will keep saying the same thing I'm telling you right now. But they're not telling you right now because they want to sell the mentorship. Maybe, maybe I don't know why they don't tell, but they should tell. That's why I'm telling you. And I'm underrated. I agree with that. I have only 5,390 people. I get that subscription within from August. Okay, I wasn't active here from November, December, January. I wasn't active in YouTube. I have started this YouTube journey from August, September, October, February, March. Just 4 months. Within 4 months, I got this subscription. Huge for me. I never thought that I will get that much subscription. Very okay. Like man, thank you, bro. You deserve all the likes, Tito. You were the boss. No, Danny, I'm not the boss, but yeah, I'm trying to explain my thinking to all of you with all of you guys. What if market go higher? Take that buy side liquidity without reaching over here. Are you going to take the buy? No, I'm not doing. Brother, this is the place where FOMO works. Oh man, market is going to take that buy sell liquid. Take the buy, take the buy, take the buy. No, I'm not interested at all. I will wait until price come here. I am going to wait. Think like that way. You will overcome the FOMO, fear of missing opportunity. You will overcome that. If market don't give you the precision, you are not going to take any entry. Let market take whatever it wants to take. It is going to take that buy sell liquidity. You are going to miss that entry. Let it miss. You will wait for another day, another week, another month for just one entry. Build your mindset like that way. No man, I'm gonna take my buy. Here is my market structure shift. This is there will be a fair value gap, or maybe market is just going to leave me, so I'm gonna take my entry over there. I am going to take my entry over there. If you want to take, just take it. No problem. I'm not interested. I need the precision first. Market has to reach over here. Then I will frame my trade. If market give me any setup, I'll go for that. If I push my button here, that means I'm gambling. There is 99% possibility market will go lower, take the liquidity, stop me out, then market will go towards that buy side. So you have to wait for the precision. But what I would love to see, if another candle close above that fair value gap, if another one candle just close above that fair value gap, then it came here. That will be a confirmation that market is going to take that buy sell liquidity. So far this is the buy, I mean fake breakout. So far it's the fake breakout. All I just want to see, another one candle will close above that fair value gap, then market will go to that fair value gap. That will be some kind of confirmation. If it happens, I'll be very happy, very confident to take the buy. If it happens, okay. If it doesn't happen, still I will try to look for a buy toward that buy side liquidity. If market never come back here, take the buy side liquidity, I'll let it happen, I'll let it go. I don't care, I don't really care. Do you use DXY for direction for of NQ? Absolutely, I do that. I mean, not for direction, just for understanding what is going to happen. Is it going to happen high resistance liquidity run or low resistance liquidity run? Because DXY and NQ, both of them can go similar way. Okay, the same way. DXY is bullish, NQ is bullish. It's so simple. You will see that lot of time. So not kind of what to say. I mean, DXY is not a price driver for NQ. DXY is a direct price driver for Forex, not for indices. Overall, you need just a direction. Okay, so this candle closed above that last parallel gap one more time. Now it is confirmed that market is going higher. All I want to see, market will come here to that parallel gap now. That's all I want to see. If it come here without taking that buy side liquidity, I will try to take a buy setup. If it failed, I'm nothing to do. Bosses here few minutes ago is called their employee to give right explanation to the world. Was that Kitan? Boss was here few minutes ago to scold the employee to give right explanation to the world. Okay, so your boss, you are working. Oh man, don't don't do that. Okay, just go at work carefully. You can watch me later. Okay, Lizel, thank you for being patient. I struggle FOMO and discipline. I hold longer with a losing trade and sold early for winning trade. If you are with me for some more days, you will understand that I love to do this type of things. For example, I took a buy here. I took a buy, okay, here. That is my target. Now, what happened? Market came here very near, just missed my target for one tick, then come back and hit me stop. I mean, stopped me out. If I don't have any opportunity to trail my stop loss, I will love to take that loss. But I am not interested to close my trade over there. I will never do that. Where market went exact to the buy side liquidity. Now where market is going, that right? I love to see that. Lisa, why in watching? I'm watching. I'm also watching. Lisa, I have same problem. Peter, I explained that. I mean, you have to be careful. Let me check the 50 minutes. If there is anything, I need to see. Okay, there is nothing. Still, there is nothing. Market. If market can reach here, that fair value gap, I will start to look for a buy. Otherwise, I'll let it go. Simple. Simple. Okay. Brother, can I take a sell? If you want, you can. I'm not interested. Today, no fair value gap respect market giving because of algos. I don't know. I mean, there is not only the fair value gap, there is something else as well. Okay, so I didn't talk about them. It will make you confused, to be honest. The easiest one is the fair value gap. That's why I always talk about the fair value gap. There's a lot of thing else. I mean, there is a lot of thing except the fair value gap. So fair value gap is not respecting. It's not true. Fair value gap is respecting, but the well-known setup or the well-known price action didn't happen yet. I believe that it will happen before 12. I will get at least one chance to take buy. This price will come here to that fair value gap at least one time. Okay, so I'm just waiting for that because market was very near to take that buy side liquidity, didn't take that buy side liquidity. Come back again to this bearish fair value gap. All I want to see a body close below that constant encroachment. If this constant encroachment holds the price, then I just missed it. Okay. All I need to see market will come here, then I'll look for buy. Otherwise, no entry for me. Okay, he's talking about ICT. I guess he meant ICT. He was live today. Yeah, he was live today. That's why I had no viewers. But when he closed his live, I got some viewers. Now I can see now 194 people are watching, and I got some subscription as well. I mean, not huge, six subscription. All I mean, get after when he has completed his session. I meant ICT. Oh, okay. So you meant ICT was here. Oh man, don't do that. Okay. You're awesome. Thank you, Ross. Rosh FX. Thank you, man. Three candle as well on 13 minute. We wait for favorable gap to trade it. Three candles as well on 13 minute. We wait for favorable gap to trade it. What is your question, brother? I didn't understand. With brother 150 minute NQ1 center bear favorable gap, can market consider it? 15 minute NQ1 7733 7733. Yeah, you can consider that on as well. You can, man. But you don't need to consider that on because you have clean buy side liquid over here, and market is bullish. So when it is bullish, you don't need to consider that. Okay, I guess so, man. Man, I mean, it is not a place to look for sell. It is not a place to look for sell. It's a place to look for a buy. It has taken the buy side liquidity. No opportunity to take entry. But I'm happy. I didn't get entry around this price action. I'm happy. I'm happy because market has taken the buy side liquidity that I was expecting. From 9:30 market fall, I was expecting market will go and take that buy side liquidity. Market fall, Judah swing, came here, started to go higher. No, though it's highly resistance, I mean high resistance liquidity run, still market went higher. I'm happy, man, because market is hit my target. I didn't take my entry, that doesn't matter, but I'm happy because I was right to my direction. That's why I'm happy. Okay, make us confused. What made you confused, brother? Ahmed Mustafa, what made you confused, man? Did you tick by tick, clear precision, brother? Thanks, Ravi, for that extra compliment. There is Nico, he doesn't need the membership, still he's green. I'm just kidding, Nico. ICT gave us masterclass today. Go see YouTube. I will see that, Nico. I still will be here one day, bro. I hope so. I miss you. I hope so. One day. That will be the best day in my life when ICT will be in my comment box, and he will just write down, "Well done, brother," or "Well done something." Okay, that will be the best day in my life. According to Deer theory, low is in Sorin ship. What is Deer theory? Buy side liquidity taken. No, it's not taken yet. I have a lot of buy side liquidity still left. Still, I have a lot of buy side liquidity left. Yep. See, this is also the buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity is not taken yet. No, nothing. If only if market come here, that 15-minute fair value gap, I will be interested to take buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take buy. I will just see how price go higher. I'll let it go. 771 is the buy side liquidity on the 1 hour. 771. 771 here. Yeah, there is also the buy side liquidity. I mean, this is not clean buy side liquidity comparing with this. I mean, all of this area is the buy side liquidity, all of this area. What do you think why ICT was bearish today? Because of the obvious liquidity I outlined in the London session. ICT was here in my streaming at around the London session, and he saw that there was a very obvious liquidity around there, this low and that low. That was the obvious liquidity around London session. I told that I have only the sell side liquidity. I don't have any other sell side liquidity except the sell side liquidity. I don't have any buy side liquidity. So yeah, that's why I was bearish until that liquidity. And I also told that if market would love to go lower, it can take that liquidity, and then we will see if market can go higher and take the buy side liquidity. This is also the expansion day, so market should keep going higher. 771 is overnight high. I can see it. Why didn't you consider that 15-minute breaker? I didn't saw it. I didn't see it, dear soul. I saw it later. Dear soul, I saw it later. Actually, I didn't see it. But I am happy that you noticed that breaker. That was a perfect breaker from 15-minute chart. But I really didn't see it. But when market was too far from that breaker, I noticed that there was a breaker. Sometimes I missed something. You do not need to think ICT will come to your channel. He will come, that I'm sure about. Oh, Alan, thank you, man. Oh, brother, I love you. No problem. Thank you, dear soul. No problem. Thank you, man. I actually missed it. Okay. And when I saw the breaker, market was too far from that breaker. So far from that breaker. So, ah, 5391. I just need 9 more people to make it 5400. No, brother, we are not going to give you the subscriber because you are not pushing your button. There is no nothing. Okay. I can't push my button. We know market where market is going. We know that, but we don't have the setup. If you don't have the setup, you are not going to do anything. Maybe if you go to your 5 minute chart, you will get some setup. Let me check. No, not from even 5 minute chart. You have any setup from, not even from 5 minute chart, not even from 15 minute chart, not even from 1 minute chart. You should not gamble. Trust me, man. You should not gamble. If you gamble, you will build a bad habit. Okay, you will build a bad habit inside of you, that you can trade this type of situation. Later, in a consolidation day, your brain will tell you that, brother, you did this last time. Why you are not going to push your button right now? Push your button. You will push your button. You will be stopped out one time. You will blow your mind. Then you will blow your account. So please, man, my request is, don't gamble. Wait for the precision. If you get the precise price action, then take the entry. If you get stopped out, be happy with that. If market doesn't give you any setup, you see that market went higher, and where you were thinking market is going, market went exactly over there. Be happy because you were right. Just market didn't give you any setup. That's all. Can you mark the 15-minute breaker? I guess I can. This is your breaker. I saw it, but it was too late. When market came here, that breaker, I saw it, but it was too late. Some of you can think that here is the breaker as well. Here, this one. This is also the breaker. Yeah, I agree with you. This is also the breaker. But for me, this one is the best breaker. This is also the breaker. Okay, there is no argument or anything. This is also the breaker. But for me, this is the Amma. He said, eh. For me, this is the breaker. The perfect one is here. This is not perfect. Okay. Still, if you use the breaker, still there is no setup. I keep missing out the breaker block. Hey, lizards, you are lizard. You should not miss that. Okay. Sir, you think this buy program and no entry model gave from ICT West, I see all pullback bits come like algo model. It's cool, man. I mean, I agree with you, but the thing is, market is going to give you the best entry. Just wait the whole day. Market is going to give you the best entry setup. Trust me. Just one day, just trust me. It's going to give you the best entry setup, I believe. And when it will happen, if you are not already messed up with this chart, you will be very happy when you will get that entry. Wait until that, okay? Even if I'm not here, when that entry will happen, I will just screenshot that and I will tweet it to my Twitter, okay? Although I have not witnessed you take a trade, I appreciate your analysis. How many trades did you take in London session? Seek for wisdom. First on was the profitable one. Then I took this entry because of Leah. I took this entry. I'm going to show you, okay? Then I took loss. I mitigate my loss and last one just break even. Now I'm gonna show you this thing. Let me load. Okay, over here. That was the first entry. Depending on the same thing over here, 15-minute fair value gap is over here. Market came to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then gave me the setup. I took that entry. Then here I took buy and I got stopped out just for one tick. Just look over here. Just for one tick. Market just stopped me out, then reversed. I took re-entry when market go above the entry fair value gap one more time. I took re-entry and mitigate my loss only. Okay. So that entry was my, I was overzealous and I put my stop loss very, very, very tight. Okay. Just tick by tick. And it stopped me out for one tick. I was feeling like it just came here to stop me out. Then it went higher. So that was the loss. And over here, that entry was not the actual entry actually. I showed that this setup, whenever I don't take it, this is the setup, same setup here and here. If I don't take it, it works perfectly. If I take it, it will obviously stop me out. So to prove that, I took that entry and I put my stop loss to the break even, so I got it stopped out to the break even. Just to prove that if I don't take it, it worked perfectly. If I take it, it stopped me out. That's all. That was the London session, brother. Okay. Market goes to nearest liquidity first. Absolutely. I agree with you, Preet. Do you often trade London life too? No, I don't. I don't like London. Okay, today I was watching the market, so I thought let's go for Peter. Peter actually from Australia. He is so sleepy guy and he can't wake around the New York session, so I thought okay, let's trade with Peter. But I was in profit. Peter is in loss from the London session. Peter took two losses. Good morning, guys. Good evening, Osei. How are you, brother? Guys, I keep missing out the breaker block. Don't worry, you will you will overcome that. Guys, trust me, if you study ICT and listen to T2, you will win. No way you can't win. If you trade the rules, I watch T2 because I love him and I do my own entries. Then I come here. I respect you, dear soul, for that, brother. I think Tito is not here to push the button just for the stream. He is here for sharing his knowledge so folks can learn. It is not about taking a trade, but being patient for optimal trade setup. Absolutely, I agree with you. If I see it's cool, I mean the entry is good, then I will push my button. If I don't see it, I'm not gonna push my button. That's all. Peter, you better put your 15-minute fabric back again. It's rejected. I don't need to put it, man. It's gonna be broken. Trust me. Tommy first. Are you funded? Am I funded? I don't know, brother. Because I saw your name, then you disappear and you come back. You have to be regular over here, brother. Otherwise, I'm not going to help you. Lomar, yesterday give best setup in 1:50 p.m. but lost it. Yeah, Lomar. If you are talking about the same entry I outlined and I have uploaded it to my Twitter, I don't know if we are talking about the same entry or not, but it just stopped me out, then boom. I didn't take the entry. The reason was today is yesterday was the Fetcher Powell speak. I don't like to trade Fetcher Powell. Okay. Look over here. This is a perfect sell setup, in my opinion. I'm not interested to take sell, but yeah, this is a sell setup. I would love to see if it works or not. Okay, I would love to feel it. Don't push your button. Just don't push your button. I would love to feel it. Man, I am in my paper trades. Okay, no, it's not going to give me the any opportunity to take entry, so I don't need to outline it, I guess. I'll just put it if it gave me the chance here until that consummation. All I need an immediate reaction now. Within 3 candle, market has to reach over here. Within 3 candles. See, for wisdom, it's coming back to the fair value gap. Let's see. MSS down to 15 minutes. Due to the boom penguin. Due to the boom penguin. Yeah, the same. And the boom come after stop me. Yeah, man. Absolutely. It was a perfect setup, but it didn't work yesterday. So do you buy 15-minute fair value gap? No, I don't buy 15-minute fair value gap. I wait for the setup from 15-minute fair value gap. 15 minutes, let's go. Let's see. I outlined that one. That doesn't mean I am looking for sell, okay? I am looking for buy, but first I need to reach price over here. Then I will start to look for buy. I just try to feel the market. That's why I put it over there. And I would love to see if there is any setup or not. And I am not interested to push my button because of the stop loss. Look at the stop loss. 20 handle. Okay. Immediate reaction. So one, two, three. One more candle left before taking me into the market. If market failed to reach that fair value gap, here is another fair value gap, entry fair value gap. Okay, look, there is a very small fair value gap. If market failed to reach to that fair value gap within one more candle, this entry is not valid at all. Even please don't take that entry. It's a huge stop loss. Market is extremely bullish. You should not take that entry. I put it here just to feel it. Okay, I'm not interested to push my button. T2 chat is calling for London session. Okay, remember the 15 minutes from 4. Looks like it holds the price. I'm not looking for sell, brother. I'm looking for buy only. So every bearish fair value gap should be broken. Type London chart 42. Okay, what is that? Why only 3 candles? I see that as a immediate reaction. I mean, 3 candle is not absolutely correct, but yeah, but 3 candle is okay. I mean, within 3 minutes, if it trade that fair value gap, I will call that immediate reaction. The best is first candle, one candle. That's the best option. But maximum 3 candle is okay. I mean, this is the last candle. If it can trade that fair value gap by this candle, this then I will see it if it works or not. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Hey Ravi, how are you, brother? I see a bearish breaker. You saw a bearish breaker there? No problem, brother. I'm not bearish. I'm bullish. Trust me. I'm bullish. Okay. So when market will be here, I will start to look for a buy situation. If this fair value gap is broken, still I will look for a bull setup. I mean, sorry, what did I say? If this fair value gap is broken, then I will still look for the bearish fair value gap again. Okay. Allow me to ask you something due to your experience and your tight stop loss. I love it. One SP50 500 was the too much stop loss for you. For SP 500, that means EMI S&P. If you are calling the EMI S&P 3 handle, 3 handle is my perfect stop loss. Even 3 handle is use. I mean, two ticks is okay, but three handle, two ticks is maximum. Okay, guys, 200 people are watching now. Just consider me some likes, and if you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. Just make it 5400. So I need just for 9 more people to make it 5400. So touch both direction, okay? 400 and some likes. I'm just coming back. I need to drink some water, so I'll be back within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? How was your trading day today? Was awesome, Ravi. Got a lot of profit today. Lot of profit, Ravi. Oh, Leah, I didn't blame you, okay? I didn't blame you. All I want to say is when we are talking about here, right? Here, I told you that I am just thinking that market will go higher, and I am seeing this is a perfect setup. To prove my point, I push my button, okay? So I didn't blame you for anything, or I was talking to you, and for proving my point I pushed my button. So I wasn't blaming you. Okay, don't get me wrong, sister. I hope you will understand. Okay, I'm echoing. The voice is not clean. Okay, I hope you will understand, Leah. I was not blaming you. I was just telling you that uh, we are talking about that. So Peter, clean, clean. Okay, yes, I'm with kind attitude to you. No clues. I didn't understand what do you mean, but to be honest, I wasn't rude or I wasn't just blaming you. I was just telling you that uh, you were telling me that market is going lower, and I wanted to say you that no, brother, no, sister, I'm not thinking like that way. I'm thinking that market will tap over here to that low. So you see, you were right. Even market went much more lower. You were right, but here that was a perfect setup for me for a buy setup. Okay, so that was my point to push my button over there. I wasn't blaming you. It was my system. Next gaming. What? This one? This one was your system? Man, trust me, I didn't copy you. I didn't copy you, man. Nix. Oh, Peter. Gupta. Hey, bro, how do you say butterfly in Bengali? Projapati. Projapati. Oh, okay, 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 Leah. I got you. Thank you, sister, for understanding. I was just trying to prove my point over there. That's why I pushed my button. Okay. I will never blame anyone for my losing or for my winning. I will never do that. Why you are now laughing, Ketan? Gupta asked me, how do I say butterfly in Bengali? I We actually called it Projapati. Now why you are laughing? 135 contracts to buy at this level, one book map. Okay, I am interested about the book map. Okay, last time I told that I am really interested about the book map. So yeah, I will look at that. Do you focus mainly on 1 minute chart or 5 minute chart? I focus 15-minute chart and 1 minute chart. I never go 5 minute chart. No, you stole his setup for that. Okay. I didn't steal his setup, to be honest, man. Dusul, thank you, brother, for that. Uh, Not now. Still now, I'm really so busy. I didn't start the psychological challenge yet. Then the Peter's t-shirt given event, I didn't do anything because I have to set up things first, and I don't have the time. So, but thanks for that, man. To be honest, thanks for that. Bookmap made me curious because, as I told you, I watch Cami Capital. He's live streaming sometimes because I like the way he talk. I'm not talking about his price action. I'm just talking about his the way he talks, he speaks, or he actually spend his time in streaming. I like his way. And now he moved I from ICT to Bookmap. That's why I was curious. What is that Bookmap? First, please take a look at VIX. It is a useful tool for indices. Danny Romero. Thank you, man, for that. I will take a look of that. Okay, I'll take a look at that VIX. Okay, let me take a screenshot. Okay, got it. But I'm from India. Should I open an account from Apex? No, it's a difficult question. How can I tell you that? If you feel that you will be able to trade through Apex, uh, even after the trailing stop loss, go for that, man. For me, trailing stop loss rules from Apex is really hard. It's really hard. Okay, so I'm not interested about Apex, but if you ask Peter, Peter was an Apex trader, so you can ask him if it is good or not. Can we say 1028 and 1029 candle bullish order block? There is no order block here. Yeah, here can't be any order block. I don't know what ICT talked about order block today. I don't know. Okay, but so far I will watch his video. I mean live, which is all about order block. I guess I will watch his live after my streaming. But yeah, in my opinion, until now there is no order block. I was watching Think with Bookmap YouTube channel during trading. Okay, let me take another screenshot. Second. So I will watch that one as well. Jerry Swag, I like Cami. Yeah, I really like him. Okay, the way he talks, I really like it. Yeah, we need the rule for psychological challenge, please. Yeah, Kesh, I will do that, but just give me some more times. Okay, I'm extremely busy right now. When I get free time, I do the streaming. If I don't get free time, I mean after the streaming, I'm really so busy. I mean I'm wasting a lot of time now because of no reason. I mean some personal thing. Okay, I'm just wasting my time. uh, but yeah, Apex is very difficult. Thank you, Peter. Trust me, I lost 10 accounts. Okay, Peter, so there is the confirmation for the Apex, brother. So yeah, Bookmap is in depth level 2, a lot of pooping as well, so it's not magical tool. I'm just curious about that. Okay, I'm just curious, that's all. Apex is a trap. Okay, seek for wisdom. Thank you, sister. Apex is a trap. Can be. I don't like that trailing stop loss. It's bullshit. I was thinking about Apex too. Okay, if you think about the Apex too, that doesn't mean I'm telling you please don't go for Apex. I'm just telling you I don't like their trailing stop loss rules. That's all. Still, I'm just watching the price for this thing. Okay, just I outlined here. I'm just waiting for this thing. Then only then I'll be interested to take entry. Otherwise, no, no entry. 50k is best option if you want to try. Okay, Peter. Peter, which account do you recommend? Okay, Peter, I recommended the 50k account, I guess. Why the daily loss limit in top step is less than the trailing stop? You only need to not turn a winning trade into losing trade. No, that's not thing actually. The fact is, when I took this entry, maybe my target is over here. Okay, just over here, one tick above the above market went, just one tick above it. I put my stop loss to the break even. Market come back and stop me out to the break even. Still, I'm in loss. Still, I'm in loss. Right? They will draw down this. It's not the rule of trading. If you just close, I mean, if you trade through Apex, it will destroy your psychology. I guarantee you. It will destroy your psychology. It will destroy everything. I don't support the prop firm, but it's nearly impossible for everyone to trade through their real money. So we have no other option. But still, I don't support any prop firm because they build some restriction, and trading is not a place where there will be a restriction. If there is a restriction, you will never be a profitable trader. So that's the reason. Okay. Bookmap will show you the orders on the live market, but it will not teach you how to trade. I don't need that. I mean, how to trade, I don't need that. I know how to trade, but yeah, overall, why people actually turn into the Bookmap, I am curious because of that. But yeah, I will see it. I'll see it. Okay. Jack, it's not like that. Trust me. Okay, Peter. Thanks for confirming. Bookmap or heat map, it shows you where majority of limit orders are sitting on which price levels, so you can have an idea about major support or resistance area. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Where market came? Here, right? 15-minute travel gap. All I need just a displacement now. That's all I need. Should we only trade ICT kill zones or anytime the setup forms? Only ICT kill zones. Outside of ICT kill zones, you are not allowed to take entry. You will take entry outside of ICT kill zones, but not now, later, when you will be a pro of reading price action. Maybe after 10 years, maybe after 5 years. Your account can be positive and you still lose the account. Yeah, that's the that's the problem of trailing stop loss. I agree with you, Peter. Seek for wisdom. I agree. Yeah, we agree with you. Okay, guys, 15 minutes. Let's go. Yeah, let's see if it gives us any opportunity to take entry or not. Please still look for buy in this 15 minutes. Absolutely, I'm looking for buy, brother. Absolutely, I'm looking for buy. Kami Capital, he used now Bookmap to see where real liquidity and he wait for real sweep to enter. Yeah, I saw his last stream, not whole stream, but I saw a little part. And yeah, he was talking about that. Thanks for kissing me, the Chinese guy. But the thing, brother, about this software, it confirms the buy side, sell side liquidity. This is only how I use it. Thank you guys for giving me so many information. Thank you, man. I think it will trade to bottom of fair value gap. Let's see, brother. I don't need any level either. I mean, consequent and crossment low or high. I don't need it. All I need it. Did it trade that 50-minute fair value gap or not? It has traded that 50-minute fair value gap. Perfect. Now I am just waiting this part. It will make a swing high which is valid for shifting market structure, then displacement fair value gap. I'm just waiting for this part. From where exactly it is going to happen, I don't care. I just don't care about that. Okay? All I want to see, market has taken all the liquidity, then immediately it has shifted. That's all I need to see now. But it has to happen within 12 or maybe maximum 12:10. Maximum 12:10 has to happen within this time frame. If it passed up 12:10 and after 12, I mean just around 12:11, it has given me the setup. I'm not interested to take that entry. We hit the February 24 low today. Okay. I watch Think with Bookmap. It's good channel too. Yeah, I took the screenshot. I will watch that channel, brother. Exactly. Guys, still 200 people are watching. 200, more than 200 people are watching. I get only 122 likes. It's not fair. Okay, it's not, absolutely it's not fair. You didn't push the subscription button as well. It's not also fair. Just need 8 more people. Just 8 more people I need to make it 400. Subscribe to my channel, bro. Oh man. Okay, it's the same channel. Oh, okay. Macro started. I saw it. I'm just waiting for the setup. Yes, it is. If not by 12:10, we go to eat and sleep. Lol. Yeah, I will do the same thing. I mean, I'm not going to sleep, but I'm not going to stay in front of my chart. I have to go outside. At night, the night view is awesome now these days. Still no opportunity for the first travel cup entry. Nothing. Give the man his like, people. Give me the like, people. Sick, where are you from? I know Earth, but what part? Yes, Sick, from what part you are here? You're from India? Seek for wisdom. Are you from India? If it doesn't create any travel gap in 15 minutes after MSS, should we go for 5 minute travel gap or any other time frame? No. Gupta, no. If it failed to make the travel gap of the setup from 1 minute chat, I'm not interested to go any other time frame. Yeah. So far it's perfect. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. Price came to that fair value gap, it should expand higher now. All I need a market structure shift from 1 minute chart. That's all I need. Now this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure, but maybe I will take a risk. Maybe. It's not valid for shifting market structure at all. No, 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 not valid at all. I should not take that risk. Oh man. Peter Henry, lol. Earth, yes. Earth. Okay. Earth. You're from Earth. Where are you going these days? I think you are going to see your ex. I don't have any ex. If you ever see that, I loved that girl. I mean, if you use the past tense for love, that means you never love her or him in your life. Love can't be the past. It is always present. It is always present. So if there is no past, then there is no ex. We use the wrong concept about love. Love. We use she is my ex or he is my ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend. There is nothing called ex. Love can't be the past tense. It is always the present tense. If you ever feel this is your past, then you never loved her. Never ever. So I don't have any ex, okay? Phonum, what is that? Wisdom? Phonum, fen, phonum, was that? I don't know. Got it. Thank you, Gupta. Wisdom, can you trade US futures in Rise? Okay. John T. Lopes ask you a question and seek for wisdom. Sister give him the answer yes. That's cool. John T. Ross, okay. I haven't been there yet. I have never been over there. I never heard about that in my life. You don't need to pronounce my first name. I don't blame you, lol. I'm sorry, brother. I mean, Shubhrangshu, Shubhrangshu Gupta. I guess Shubhrangshu Gupta is your name. Eli Pritis, please go to my YouTube channel and watch the market structure shift video, brother. You will understand why that is not valid market structure shift. I have already built the video about the market structure shift. And that is the most important video. You have to watch that one if you want to trade ICT concept. Then you have to watch that video. That is the most and the first video you have to watch. People come here and don't leave. They love the girls here. I would love to go over there, seek for wisdom. I would love to go over there. You are in deep love, brother. I don't know. Oh my god. T2 love guru. Okay. Cambodia. I heard about that Cambodia. Bro, mastered the art of moving on. I moved on. But all I told you that there is nothing called past tense about love. Nothing. That's my belief, okay? That's my direction. Yes, I'm a fan of Asia girls. My wife is Asian. Okay, Peter. You're lucky because you got the Asian girl. Is this market structure valid? No, there is no market structure which is valid. Still now, I don't see any market structure swing high which is valid for shifting market structure until now. Rather take the buy, take the buy, take the buy. If I take the buy, that's gonna be forcing market. To be honest, I'm gonna force the market. After waiting so many times, now I'm going to force the market. Uh, if I get the immediate reaction, I'm gonna take entry. Otherwise, I'm not interested. All I need to see is how many stop loss, how many will handle. Okay. No, I should not. Oh, if it failed to make a fair value cap, I'm not interested to take entry. Just 10 handle. Not bad. Not bad. All I need is just an immediate reaction. That means within three candle market has to trade that fair value gap. It failed. I'm done. That's not a misses. But yeah, I'm gonna force the market just for one time because just 10 handle stop loss is not a huge stop loss. I can take that risk. Just 10 handle stop loss is cool. That's not a market structure shift. I agree with you. I agree with you, Peter. But I would love to take that risk. Bad decision. That was a very, very, very bad decision. Good loss. Too long and took a loss. That's cool. This swing high, why it is not valid? You have to watch the video, okay, to understand that why it's not valid. I'd love to see if that was the setup, if it could work or not. I'll put it like that way. Hold the lunch hour and we will see. It's a poor it's not even AMSS. This swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. Whoever watched the video about the market structure shift, all of you will agree with me. This swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. Is there anyone who watched my video and you can tell that this is valid shifting market structure? No, it's not absolutely valid. Not even the inducement travel up. No way. Okay, but yeah, I was trying to take a risk for 10 handle. I was thinking if it works or not. Okay, so it went lower. We'll see. Two videos for MSS. Yeah, absolutely, brother. So the swing high not closed any candle actually. What did you say? That swing high not closed any candle actually. No, that's a one swing high. Swing high is cool. The swing high is cool, but it's not valid swing high for shifting market structure. Swing high was cool. I mean, there is no problem with that swing high, but it's not valid for shifting market structure. Yeah, I was just posting the market. It's so cool. See you lose after break the rules. You are happy, Miguel? Okay, man. I think market is coming back to the discount PDRA before making the next swing. Next swing. Can be, brother. Can be. But yeah, still now there is no swing high which was valid for shifting market structure. This swing high is also not valid for shifting market structure until now. Until now, it's not valid. If there is a swing high over here, which will be below that swing high, then it will be valid for shifting market structure. Until then, it's not valid for shifting market structure. What makes it cool to see the lost? Oh man, it's okay, just let it go. When I broke my rule, I will regret. It's for everyone, not only for me, it's for everyone. If you broke the rule, you will regret. That was an assumption and it punished me. I'm cool with that punishment. Okay, so no entry is going to be valid after 10, 12, 10, and still I'm thinking that market is not going to give me any setup around here within 3 minutes. So that's all for today. Starting from 7:34, waiting for 5 hours. 7:34, waiting for 5 hours. Let's go, brother. Let's go. If it works, where is your target profit? Just let me know that, bro. Is happy because it's rare to see it lose. Oh man. Yeah, I would love to took that on, but yeah, it didn't feel the entry over there, but it's okay. That's cool. That's all, guys. I mean, it's in the launch hour now. I'm not interested to hold over here. If I see anything, I will tweet it. I will go outside right now. So, yep, that move down also didn't give any setup. Yeah, absolutely. Market is not precise. It's just random, but still, I believe that market will give you the best setup. So I will take one more entry outside of my session. That entry will be for mitigating my loss. Okay, that's one entry will be for mitigating my loss. Okay, let it go. I will take all entry when I will be live. So I'm not gonna take any entry when I'm outside of my stream. So yeah. Thank you guys. If anyone has any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'm gonna close my session for today. Come to a 15-minute chart. Just don't think that market is falling by just watching this some small candles over there. Look at the whole price action over here, how it has traded around that area. Congratulations, Fish, for you winning, brother. Hi, T2 and everyone. Crypto, you are late. Peter, good night, brother. So, what was the reason of your short? Last 50-minute travel gap? Okay. By the way, you pronounced my name correctly. Thank you, Gupta. I tried. I tried. Wisdom is cool because as soon as you break the rules, the high probability go away and the quick reaction too. What a logic, Leonardo. That was a nice logic, man. Oh no, I just got here. Yeah, I'm gonna close my session for today. I mean, boom. Thank you, man. Thanks for that boom. That at least you got that boom. I'm happy for you. But yeah, I will just look for the buy setup from here. This is the perfect place for looking for the buy. I would look for the buy only. Not interested to look for the sell. Have a good night. Thanks for sharing. No problem. See the pro. See Rig or see you tomorrow, brother. Cheers. You missed a lot of good setup today. Just kidding. Oh man. Good night, bro. Thank you, Lomar. Uh, tell me all about it. You guys keep telling and taking responsibility for your action and great example. Thank you, wisdom. Brother, tomorrow I have day off. Leonardo, thanks for that, but I am not sure that I'll be here tomorrow or not because of load shedding and the weather. If the weather is good, if there is no load shedding, I'll be here, okay? Thanks to all and welcome to my channel. Whoever subscribed to my channel today, thank you. Thanks to all, okay? And welcome to my channel. Just don't disappear. Keep coming. You will get at least something, okay? At least something. And I will tweet the setup here to my Twitter. So until the next